Knight said, and KD Knight was there in the 90s, that in him taking over in 89 and leaving the country in 2007, right, he cannot proudly say that the PNP has done anything to improve the life of the people. And then we ran it tweet saying, and we ran it tweet saying that um, the, the People's National Party policies, right, had done a massive transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich, right? From the poor to the rich. And with Mark Golding was an advisor to him. What different will Mark Golding bring to the table going up against a performing prime minister in Andrew Michael Wallace?
Excellent question. But in your introduction, it would not be fair to Comrade Mark Golding for what you said about him, because when he was elected in 2021, you guys said that we sent you guys a preke, okay? The preke who was behind in the poll for 2 consecutive years, going 3 years, did not utter. We didn't hear anything about him, but since the preke now surge in the poll in 2024, he has become the top.
Surge in the poll MP for.
Okay, yes, he surged in the poll. Since the preke surge in the poll that he commissioned, paid for, and got his result. Okay, the preke entered almost a year coming February, an election, and he would have come out more victorious than the Jamaica Labour Party.
Also,
because he would have gone in with less councillors and he came out with more. He would have gone into election with less councillors.
And that's how you measure win. And that's how you measure win. So you by a mile last time, I know you need an inch, and you said that's you are.
That's still answer the question.
No, but I'm answering the question. I'm going. Listen, you take about 5 minutes to ask me the question. You want me to give you a 1 second answer? I am presenting my leader. Why should he become prime minister? I'm not trying to sell you, because your mind has already said that you are the best leader. Okay, because you said that. So I am presenting I'm using your platform to take away little voters that you have to bring to my side. All right. So
can you just get to the point, please? Carry on.
The preke now surge in the poll. He's no longer a preke, but he's a master mark. He's a backer master. He was not born in Jamaica. He was born in England. All kind of thing. He has become so effective, right, that he now becomes your biggest threat. You are the defending champion. And
Eagle, can you tell us something about policies?
Biggest threat.
Okay. You want to talk about policy? He wrote, he drafted.
Yeah, let us know what the PNP have the impeachment for the future of Jamaica.
Your prime minister asked for, and you have not put it in parliament. You put it on a desk behind. Okay, he's one of the best policy writer in this country. Okay, he has proven that he has run 2 successful businesses.
I him did write the policy where them hold on the dark night. I him did write the policy where them teach same sex in a school between 2012 and 13.
He drafted the impeachment bill for you guys, and you guys were.
I ask you if I him did write the policy where them teach same sex.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, but me and you talk about that the other day, brother, and me tell you if you go do your research and you not do it. Why you not want to do your research on that? And you know it's true.
All right, here what I'll do. And I take it to today, 25th. Whenever Bucky up again classic, we'll have a debate on that. Okay.
Make we tear down this lie about he's the best policy writer.
So that's a policy that Mark Golding wrote, right?
No, you listen.
Policy that you know.
No, you are saying that they asked me to
He was justice minister, you know. At the time he was justice minister.
All right, mister.
And I am not going back. I am talking about 2019, 9 years. That's all I'm talking about right now. 2016, 9 years.
Eagle.
Yes, sir.
Are your father you're the father, right?
Yes, sir.
Your children them are your grandfather still a father?
Still a father.
Great grand.
Not yet. I don't get a luxury.
You don't, all right. So As a man of principle and whatever, and being a man, and you come and you grow with a mother and father, you think it is right for where your minister come in and oppose pan we the Jamaican people, where we grow up with a Christian principle and morals about man and woman. For them female come bring man and man to us. Are you so are supportive of that?
What was it you talk about, man and man all the time?
All right. So hear me now. Hold on mute there, you. All right. Hear me now, because I've been listening for a minute, so I feel like more contributor now. I'm more go back to a lot of the rubbish that Eagle just threw out there. Eagle, you were asked to present the PMP's plan, what vision you have for the country, and you went off on this lie brigade concerning Mark Golding, talking about, oh, the Preke is now surging and leading in the poll, and the Preke this and the Preke that, and now the
He's
Preke is
really
biggest threat.
trying it. He's trying to run to
Man,
riches. He's
have
trying
you
it.
have you realized that? Are you yet to realize that you're not talking no fool, and the people out there in the listener land aren't stupid and won't go for that nonsense that you just sold? Nobody now gonna go for that. The
Chavi,
poll,
address something
garbage.
as well,
Hold
please.
on, 1 minute. Let me address poll. In 2016, these same pollsters said that Portia Simpson Miller is leading by double digit. As a matter of fact, a day before the election, what happened? She retired. These same pollsters said that Peter Phillips is leading by double digits again. Retire. I'm glad you push Mark because you're going to retire him too. Come on, push him
Chavi,
up again.
Chavi,
Use poll and push him up.
address this rubbish when say Mark is the best policy writer now, and
Absolute
and
garbage.
him
Absolute
is a
garbage. Hold on. Let
the
me talk about
greatest
policy.
businessman
Let me
and the
talk about
greatest
policy.
businessman on earth.
When
That
me say
one the two.
successful business, let me deal with them two. Let me start with business. You know buy stock, so you wouldn't know. But let me give you it then. Me get the notification. Proven well, just tell Jamaica Stock Exchange, hey, we are locked down 2 of our overseas operations. Yeah? BVI and St. Kitts, I believe. We're closing those doors. Why? Failing business. As a matter of fact, months ago, Chris Williams resigned as CEO. Why? Failing business. As a matter of fact, the only time he ever have business success is when him friend them in government and I give him sweetheart deal. Other than that, him no run no successful business. So rubbish that. Move with that. Next thing now, you say him a great policy writer. Wow, such a great policy writer. And when he was Justice Minister in 2013 and Jamaica is on the brink of financial collapse, the only policy he could have put together was getting a prison from the UK for Jamaica to house overseas criminals. Your shit and stop chat rubbish on the program. How much time for you we have to go prove you to be a liar and a talk be a nonsense? How many times?
Again, I like when you go back into history, but I'm not going to go there.
As a matter of
I'm not,
and a
I'm
history
dealing
me I go
with
back in.
six.
May I give you the
I'm dealing with
facts
16
according to
from
your
16
listen.
to now.
Calm down, Eagle. Me now go back in a history. May I give you the facts with regards to what you said? I'm stating the facts behind it. That's not a history lesson.
Okay,
May
but
I
you
give you
see,
factual and
he
credible
drafted
information
he
with regard.
drafted he
Calm down, no
drafted
man.
some
Me
bills
I
for
go
you
deal.
guys.
Hey. Me I go deal with policy again. Me not done with policy again. The Integrity Act where him claim the paternity for the entire country of Jamaica is stating that needs to be revised. That needs to be revised. Why? It a
Chavi,
benefit him more than anybody
Greg
else.
Christie and Panton also acknowledge that it need revising too.
Thank you very much.
So,
The
which
two
great
commissioners
policy? What is he
going to
talking
put in
about?
place. Both great policy writer and best
Great
policy
policy
writer in
writer.
our country.
Okay,
Who
I
is he
don't know
Are
who
you
putting him on
mad?
now.
track to?
You see,
Are you mad?
hold on there.
Mad?
April
Hey, calm
2018.
down. Let me talk to you about policy. Hold on, man. Me
Hold
give you
on
a long
now.
time for run the floor. Me give you a long time for run the floor. Me talk now, big man. You talk about policy. Me tell you about policy. You know what is policy? Fiscal rules of 2010. That a policy. Cause Jamaica benefit from that till now. Yeah? I'm not trying to claim paternity for that. As a matter of fact, the economical climate that we're in is a result of that. You want to know about policy? The pension program for elderlies right now. That if you talk about when you talk about policy, talk about the pension schemes right now for dancehall artists and entertainers. You want to talk about man? Hey, Say something again,
to date,
let me get to kick him. Let me put on one pair of shoes. Go on.
Okay.
Say what you say again.
Travi, to date, Mark Wallen hasn't written a successful policy in Jamaica. None
Okay.
successful. And if he has, please correct us. Put it out there.
Someone said that he wrote a policy for gay and stuff, but April 2018.
Forget about that, man. We're dealing
No,
with real
hold
deal
on.
tactics
No,
now.
but I'm talking about 2016 till now. April 2018. The now Prime Minister said that he has no problem having
You see, this is why I don't
gay in
want
his
him to
cabinet.
sign up people. Because our rubbish
And
does not come with now,
no,
After all of the
You
intelligent
you
points
cannot.
he just made,
No,
and
you
that's
cannot
what come
throw.
with.
If you live in a
And
glass
that's what
house,
come
don't
with.
throw a stone.
E-
If you live in a
Eagle,
glass house, don't throw a stone.
Eagle,
Because your
Eagle,
Prime Minister says
Eagle,
he's
Eagle,
not
Eagle,
opposed
Eagle,
to having gay in
Eagle.
his cabinet.
Hold on, Eagle,
But you're gonna
Eagle.
say that
Hold
this
on,
man right policy about
Eagle,
Batman? Come on, man.
Eagle, Eagle. Hold on, man. What I asked you to do, what I asked you to do was to tell me that are different that Mark Golden. I did not ask you about the Jamaica Labour Party in terms of what the Jamaica Labour Party um, has done and compare them because we can't compare nothing to something because Mark Golden have nothing where never compare versus Andrew Holmes. So I want to know what difference that Mark Golden is coming with, right? That is going to make Jamaica in a 5 year better or 10 times better or more better than what it is now. That's what I'm asking.
Sometimes I like debating good labor, right? Because Dimi, you just set the platform easier for me now. You just highlight that our current leader have no flaws. He has nothing against him. So what you want to know that's gonna bring? He's coming in
Hey,
flawless.
I
one
did
bag of
not
rubbish.
say
Run for chat now.
I did not no
Finish
no no
you
no
know,
no
run for
no
chat
no
rubbish and
no
twist
no no
paper
no
statement
no no
and
no
people speech, Hey,
no no no.
you take
I
pride
did
in the
not
chat rubbish,
say he did not have
Yo,
any flaws.
You
What I
say
am
you
saying,
nothing, and
take
I
pride
he
in the
and
have
chat
no
rubbish.
he
You take
have
pride. Are you
nothing
Richard
for
this?
me to say
I one of
he's
them
going
guy.
to
When him?
be a good leader. That's what I'm saying. I have not seen him or hear him say anything that I can say he will be a better leader. I did not say he didn't have any flaws. He did not. I
Mind
did not
you, so
see him.
far he hasn't even proven to
Right,
be a good leader. He hasn't proven.
right. So that's why I'm asking you to do that. So don't twist what
Hear me
I
now.
said.
again,
Hear me now.
let me
Hear me now.
finish. Let
Hear
me
me now.
finish.
Hold on.
I'm
Hold on.
happy.
Hold on. Hear me now. Hear me. I said to you now, Eagle. All we ask is that you sell your party, pound for pound, ministry for ministry. Sell your party. That we are
Without
asking for.
calling
Again,
Andrew
how
What?
can
Holness and
you
jail.
ask
Hold
me
on,
to
the
do
man.
a
Hold
job?
on, the man. Hold on, the man. Sell your party. Because we don't present no policies, no plan, no vision for the future. So we are asking you now as a comrade, are a socialist, whichever are a PNP supporter. Because you have like three different monikers, right? So sell your party. That me ask you for do. I mean, we're getting no theatrics.
You
Sell your
see,
party.
you see, it's selling my party. My party, like when I'm going to school now, and I'm in a bunch of classroom with a bunch of people who are a bunch of copycats. Okay, and what you're listening forward to know is my ideas that I have, and take it and put on your paper and
We
run with
don't
it
have none.
as a result.
We don't
And
have
that
none.
this have been
Y'all
the
don't
Is
have
this man
none.
an idiot?
Y'all don't
When
have
you not say
none.
the man a insult with
Y'all don't
intelligence.
have
He
none.
might
Hold on, no, no,
insult
no,
with
no. Him can't
intelligence.
insult me.
Um
Him can't insult me.
um
Whether you
When you
believe
not
it
say
or
the
not,
man an
him can't.
idiot.
Hold on, hold
Travis,
on. Him,
Yeah.
hold on there, hold on there. Let's not be emotional. Him can't insult me. Him cannot insult me. As a matter of fact, what he's actually doing is making a fool of himself. I don't know if you noticed that. And that we
but
need to pay
Travis,
attention. He's
beg,
making a fool. Him
beg you
can't
what,
insult me.
beg you one
Listen, listen,
minute,
listen,
Travis.
listen up,
Or
listen up,
couple
listen up.
seconds.
See, by the fruit of their lips, you will know them. Let his fruits tell us who he is.
Yeah,
When
but
he keeps on doing this nonsense, let his fruits tell us who he is.
you are
Travis,
asking
you
me
hear me?
to support
Beg
my
you
leader,
another minute.
my leader who
Hold
has
on, hold
never.
on there. Hold on there. Hold on there, man. Hold on there. Let me make it
Eagle,
easier
sell
for
your
you. Let
party,
me make it
Eagle.
easier for you. Let me make it easier for you. So one of your prominent bloggers said, it's the same amount of money where Andrew are using now, Mark Golding not gonna use. But him a go prioritize. So let me give you something what you go to start work with. So why am I gonna prioritize? Why am I gonna take the money from and put it from? Because Am I going to take care of health and put it for agriculture? Am- Or am I going to take it off for education and put it in a tourism? Because the person see the same amount of money. So maybe make it easier for you. Maybe maybe a good run tonight.
You see, you know you're gonna tell me that financial expert now, okay, and speak for the prospective minister of finance, okay.
But what have you been doing all night?
No,
Yo,
no,
hear me I say good night,
What have
everybody.
you
Good
been
night.
doing all night? What have you
Hear
been
me I
doing
say,
all night?
bossy.
Please
Hear me
tell
I
me
say
the
to you,
truth.
Eagle. Eagle.
no really. Hey, when that world of changes doing
Yeah, hear me I say?
long time.
Yeah. You know why Andrew Holness win and become a prime minister?
He's a prime.
You know why?
He's the prime minister, so
You want me to tell you why? You want me to tell you why?
Just
My
tell
hear
him,
me? I
tell
want
him,
if you
not
might
tell
hear
him,
me.
man. Just tell him.
I'm not here. Talk, my here.
All right. The prime minister come and tell you the foundation and plans for him have for country. And all them plans for him have for country, he might do it right now. What Una always a come up with a phone idea this and a phone? Why you never do it? Why take a journalist to come do it when Una have the chance to do it?
I have idea upon top of idea. And I have
who
all the
started the
idea in
road?
the
Who
world.
started the road
Right now,
network? Who
right now, no
started the road
can't be.
network?
Me no
Right now,
want to
no.
hear who started
Yeah,
it.
but I'm
Why you
saying to
never
you, but
Who is doing it?
get
Who is doing it? Who is doing it? Here's my
you
question.
just
Here's my
utterly
rebuttal.
state that.
Here's my rebuttal. Who's doing it? Here's my rebuttal. Who's doing it?
But we start okay.
Who's doing it?
Don't the
Who's
Jamaican
doing
people
it?
voted against us
Who is
when
doing
we
it?
were
Who's
to
doing
face
it?
it? Don't the Jamaican people voted
One
against us?
leg in
No
18
have
years,
after
one
18 and
leg
a half
of an
years, not do
highway.
it.
18 and
After
a half
18 and
years,
a half
one
years,
leg
not do
of
it.
an highway.
And this man
One
take 8
leg.
years, it better we stay with
One.
that man.
One
8
leg.
years him take.
In
8
me,
years
me
him
say
take.
one
And we
man
get
not enough
18 and a half. And no,
index. We don't have
as a
index
matter
to
of fact, there
answer
was
to.
another 4. There's another 4, so that's about 22 and a half years. How not do it? And this man use 8 years and not do it. We don't want to hear from no. No cure much idea no have. We don't want to hear
Thank
from no.
Index.
no, but everything what the man say I can do, him I do it.
And
So
that them a
that's why he
copy and I
got
do and I think
elected
they can fool
twice.
people. Them think they can fool people when them hear Andrew come out on the platform at national conference and say, "Oh, do this and do that." Remove tax off tips and all these things, and then send out Janice Allen to come up. Oh, we're gonna remove tax off gratuities. And when the entire nation lash back, she show up the daily ago. Oh, tax and gratuities is different. Oh, no,
You
really take
remember
Jamaican
with the
people for done.
155 when they say it could work?
It
You
could not
remember when
happen.
Mark Golden
They
say
say
it
it
could
could not
work?
happen. They
Him
say it could
alone
not
come out
happen.
and say it could work. You remember?
Peter Phillips too. They say it could not happen. It's not
Could not
feasible.
happen.
Peter Phillips, it's not feasible. It's not workable, and it won't happen. No, them about to put you at 3 million. Them a tease the people with 3 million.
Index wants to say something. Me see open mic a while ago. Index.
Yeah, Virgin, blessed love. All right. Want to go back to a thing with the item again. You in the 80s, you remember 1989 saying when we live out of St. Thomas, Fenton Ferguson said things are better, or get cheap food for buying all these things.
Fenton Ferguson was never the MP in 1989. Fenton Ferguson
Eh?
was never the MP in 1989.
No, no,
It
no,
was
not
Colonel Charles.
89. Not 89.
So
After
please get the
89.
facts straight. Get the facts straight.
Hold on, sir, man. After 89, him come in. Me attack Steffenstein, Bobby Steffenstein. Sorry, mate.
Boy,
Bobby
got something
Steffenstein.
smart to say,
Still,
right?
here go on, my brethren. Yes, one time PNP did win 89. The first thing them do a race food, If you can remember. And there was a program named Solidarity and them scrap it. Anyone can remember Solidarity? But them go see how
Yeah.
they lend people money to start a
Handouts.
business. Eh?
You're embarrassing the JLP when they bring out the handout programs and because the PNP is the only party that give handouts.
Yeah, man, I remember
Solidarity
Solidar.
was a program for help you to start a business, brother. Not handle
Yes.
help you start a business. It
In
was a
the
Difference with
80s.
them people got parish council go stand up and wait for the brown envelope. That's the difference.
yeah, the
That
solidarity
that I
was
know.
to make you start
That
a
nine
business,
keep.
bro.
You get
That I
whatever
know. That nine
you
keep.
get going and then give one trolley and you go start your business
Well,
with
Well,
it.
well,
again, the
hold
people,
on, hold on, hold
we
on,
be
hold
going
on.
back hours
Eagle,
now, you see, and every
Eagle,
time we try to
pause.
go
Eagle,
forward, you guys
Eagle,
going
pause.
back,
Before you go.
back to the
So
80s.
Yeah, that,
hold
no,
on
no,
the
Eagle,
traffic.
that me
Hold
don't
on
get
the
Promote the
to.
traffic.
Batman and stay
Traffic, give me
forward,
a
man.
second.
That me don't get
So
to, you know. Me
Eagle,
don't bring you back up to today, there. That me that do Eagle.
hold on
I
the
bring you back
traffic.
to today.
Give me a second.
Mm-hmm.
So Eagle, you knew that the solidarity program is for people to start a business. And you as your handout,
Yeah, it can't be
why you
honest.
do that?
Again, I am not going back in the
And
past.
then when
That
All
and
was
when,
right,
one
all right, all
and
right.
when
party.
Hold
you
on.
realize that you
Hear me
were
now.
rebutted, you see what you do?
He
You
saying I'm
jump
going
on
to
and say,
pass.
boy, you
Yeah,
don't want to go back
yeah,
there.
yeah. Me could left that. Me could left that. We are give
That's why
everything
we
away.
Classic.
always
We are left
do.
that.
If you
Here next
ever
move.
want
Hold
to
Show me
on,
one
guys.
success in the
successful
program.
Partner,
Show
business,
me
hold
one
on, hold
success in
on,
the
guys.
solidarity program.
Guys, you know, hold on, you know,
Show
hold
me
on.
one success in the solidarity program. If you
Here,
want to go down there, show me one success business that came out of the solidarity program.
You
hey,
are one of them.
Huh?
can I
You
fit in
are
there?
one of them.
No, hell no.
Lot of
So you're
success
never
come out of this
successful.
solidarity. Lot of people, lot of small
Hold on,
people.
So Eagle, you were not successful in your
there
business.
were lots more successful business under the JLP
Um,
than the
um,
PNP. Okay? All right.
And
Well, let me
remember,
answer that
anytime we have
question
free
to people.
zone,
Well, let me just,
with
well, let me
solidarity,
answer
we
that
have
question.
free zone people, them could have
Well, on the
able
outlaw.
support
So
the
you
Outlaw, let me
realize
solidarity.
answer that.
people that
Outlaw, classic. Let me
Eagle
just answer
Eagle
that
was
question this. Him.
and I realized that Eagle benefited from the solidarity program.
Classic, let me answer the question. Let me ask you, we show him one successful business out of it. We can't because the thing suck after 1990. Mash up the business, then, brother. That's what Finsack did, you know. And which was and remember say Finsack and a me sister and Mark Golden sister. So he was the one, the architect behind Finsack. So we wouldn't see them.
let's
You
stick
gonna
to
answer that?
2016,
You gonna answer that one?
2016 till now. That's what we're talking about. And you guys keep going back.
No, you are talking about 2016 till now. We have to talk about year time in government, you know. We have
Yeah.
to beat out that out, you know.
Yeah, yeah, but um,
No, but
classic.
Still
man, if you
asking,
want to beat
The
out that
still
out,
Jamaican
you
people
know, want the
don't
people
want
in
to
but
hear
power
about
government,
things
respectfully,
that they
you know.
voted
I
against.
but
They
want to
want
but
do.
to
but
talk
but,
about
but respectfully. All right, okay. Let's say from all right. We're gonna have a projected. We're supposed to have an election next year, and we've been asking all night. All right, give us something where the PNP was successful at back then. Nothing. I know we don't hear now. Where your telephone, where your food chain, all of them nonsense. Okay then, give us something where Mark Golden have in the future then. You're still a buckshot and can't tell we. Oh no, we are wait. We are wait. Tell we.
Hello. Remember when Mark Golding said no? Him said to uno say, uno don't say nothing. Where we take it easy and now. Until till when we win, then we give it to them. Uno remember that.
no party does that. A party send out its manifesto once an election is called. Okay, the people.
PNP never did except once.
What? No.
One election they
Don't
did.
stop the
One.
progress manifesto. Listen, solid achievement manifesto. Come on, you. Listen, man. Don't embarrass me there now. Because I'm very, very passionate
No,
about the party. You tell me
Eagle,
they don't
Eagle, it's
plan.
just a
Eagle.
tagline. You can't call a
No, the
tagline
manifesto was
manifesto.
It's such
named
a
solid
shame.
achievement.
It's
The
such a
You
shame
manifesto.
cannot
your
call one
passion.
tagline
Your
manifesto.
passion.
Don't
It's
come with
such
no
a shame your
fluffy.
passion
Classic.
is
More say something.
misplaced.
Don't stop the
Your passion
progress.
is misplaced.
Don't
Your
stop the
Yeah,
passion is
progress.
don't
misplaced.
start the
Secret in
progress.
the dark.
Was a
Secret in
Manifesto.
the
tagline
dark.
and it never have no
Hey, go hold on.
manifesto.
More say something. Yeah, hear me now?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, me hear somebody on caution live. See? Keep on a talk about agriculture. See? When it become norm fi we are produce more than what we import. When did that come norm? We not always used to we not always used to what you call it again? Do more
Import.
import than produce. We not always been doing that.
Yes, PMP
PMP
Well,
time.
what more than where them produce.
if you want me to answer that question, you see, I don't want to go down there because they said the
What you
honorable
mean by
Malcolm
all right?
have no
Do they
legacy.
keep on and bring up that argument, but it's like is JLP government bringing more things than
Import.
before. And it's not
Okay.
so.
Okay. The policies of the Jamaica Labour Party, see, is that you guys rather importation, right? And you cease
All
production.
right, hear me
You
I
have
say.
you
One
have
thing
not
we can
produced.
ask her. Me want to ask her this. We iron demand and Irish potatoes. Does Jamaica can produce amount of Irish potatoes that needed in the market?
Yes, we
40%
can.
of what
Hold on there.
we consume is
DJ,
produced here.
The
Yeah.
Honorable Fraggy Raja Clark put a ban on
Roger Clark.
Irish,
Not
put a
talk
ban
about
on Irish potato because he said our Jamaican farmers can. He put a high tariff, I should say, on Irish potato because our Jamaican farmers can produce enough Irish potato.
Roger
But we
All
Clark.
right.
haven't produced
All
And he
enough in
did
the
that
Jamaican
last.
farmers can
when he was
produce it, right?
No, but
Why
you
are we
you
not
know that
Roger
producing it?
Clark
Why?
was the
eagle,
Right,
worst
there,
minister of
there's an example,
agriculture.
everybody. There's example, everybody, of a failed policy. So you think that
eagle,
would help the economy? You really think that help?
eagle. How much Irish
Damn it.
potato were we producing under Roger Clark as Minister of Agriculture?
I don't have the facts in front of me.
But now I can say
But
to you,
Jamaica was producing
40% of
enough.
what we consume is produced here in Jamaica. Match that with Roger Clark now. I can also say to you, we have invested over $3 billion in agriculture versus the last term that you were in
Yeah,
office.
but
That is
how
300.
much was the
Hold
budget
on,
then
no, brother. Hold
compared
on,
to
no, hold
now?
on, no, hold on. No. At $350 million on invest in agriculture the last term on spending in office versus over $3 billion so far
In 10
in
years.
the last
In 10
three
years. In
years.
9 years.
In
In
the
9 years.
last 3 years.
Okay. Okay.
In the last 3 years. So
Okay.
so when I talk about how not to put ban on anything or put high tariff on anything when you not produce it.
Exactly my point, Classic.
Okay.
That's an
And what
example
is
of
tell me now,
failed policy. That,
what
hold
value is
on,
Jamaica
TK, that is an
achieving on
example
the
of a
investment?
failed policy.
What value Jamaica
It
got
doesn't
achieving
matter.
an
It doesn't
investment?
matter right
Oh,
now. That's not the
carrot,
point we're making
cabbage for
right
$1,000 a pound.
now.
Yo,
That's not the
What's
point
the
listen.
right
value we
now.
get? What's the value we get for that?
You know what my problem, Classic? Them keep on a play a blame game, and this thing has been
And
happening
that's
before.
not true. That's not
Andrew
true.
Holness come in a power. The problem was there before Andrew
But
Holness. So why everything Andrew Holness
now
does
we
solve?
need to touch back
Guys,
on this too, you know. We need to touch
guys,
back on it. There was no high tariff because based on the agreement that they signed internationally, if you put GCT and agriculture produce in Jamaica, you have to do it on the ones coming into the country. But the PNP always try to trick the system where they put the tax on what is coming in and leave what is happening in Jamaica. And what happened a few months ago is that the international partners, the same PNP got highlighted to the international partners that we signed off with. Say, boy, we not charge the tax on the people, out the farmers here. And as such, we have to drop the tax on both. You understand
You
me?
see all them
The
something there?
PNP always been tricking the system. And at
that's
them
why
they
them
sign the
become
policy. I want to
becomes the
sign the
number one
agreement and at
criminal.
the end of the day, now, no come make you look like say we do all the wrongs. And I wanna do the wrongs trying at the 90s come right up in the 2000s.
All along.
From the
Classic. Can I
70s.
just let me just say something now? Because I'm gonna leave now.
Um,
Because well, I just say something, BB. Hold on. I wish we could have say it was nice talking to your ego, but it actually was painful. Because you, as I said earlier, you anger me more than the others. Because you sound like you have little sense, boy, you. And boy, I don't know what to say. This painful. You have sense and you can see and you can reason. But you're worse than the rest because you have sense. I mean, now stop saying that. What I'm gonna say this, yeah. You see, it seemed to me like again, we say it before, you're in a tailspin. You're in a tailspin because the Labour Party parked them tank on the land, and that it looked like to me. The only thing I know from the 90s, PJ period, was that we, Jamaica, was the begging capital of the world. We're walking up, beg every country. That's why Classic said Trinidad, he couldn't even argue with that person look wild. Because Uno brings shame to Jamaica. On a shame way. And me's a man, me easy for shame. Me easy for shame. And all you do a walk and beg every country. On a finance minister used to come to parliament. Oh, we have got loans from this country, from that country, from this. We get loans here and there. And that's what you want to bring me back to. On a shame Jamaica. And I'll go as far as say PNP, on a hate Jamaica. On a hate Jamaicans.
And that night,
Honestly.
and to add to that, that
I'm done.
night,
I'm done. Have a good night.
and to add to that, that night, imagine a man who have been there, who have helped to craft the needs policy. As I say, he's the best policy writer to craft the needs policy and take him own policy when craft and carry that court. How can we trust him after this?
No, because you
That's it.
know why them do that?
That's it.
Because
Thanks
they
for having
support
me, my brethren.
criminals.
Thanks. You hear?
They support criminals, so they don't like that needs. They don't like it.
Well,
Their parties are organization that support criminals.
as
Anyway,
I said,
my
as
Labour
I,
friends, it was a nice Christmas conversation with you guys, you see.
well, hold on
But
then.
guess what? I will see you at the polls whenever you call it, and wish you
Yeah,
all the
yeah.
best. But see no
Eagle,
position.
Eagle,
Yeah.
let me tell you something. You're a good driver, but you're careless with people life. You understand
That's a good
me?
one. That's a good
Right now
one.
he's
And you
not we
get
are on
a
the wheel.
license, you
Right
get
now
a
we're not around the
license,
wheels.
you get a license, and you can drive, but you drive careless.
I gotta enjoy
And
the
not
picture and drink
everybody,
some
and not
rum now.
everybody will have a license drive good now and drive careful. And we're not gonna say you're not you have a license, but you're careless, you drive careless.
Why
Merry
Eagle,
Christmas, the boss.
a whole
Merry,
heap of JLP woman you could have get since 99. Sure.
And
And
that
look
me I
how
go
they
down, I go spend
disappointed in you.
my fiance at
it, wa-
JLP now. I'm and I go to now,
I
so.
got to take her from you.
All right, boss.
Make it know.
it was good having you with us still, but I wish you
Well,
all
me
the
say,
best for the new
Martin, me
year.
say, upsetting, brother, when time me and them attack, Bridget.
Yeah.
Because these problems that we have right now, even in the agriculture that they're talking about, is from past. And
But
Angelis is doing enough to try and fix it. I'm
but
sure of that.
guys, what we need to understand now, remember now, the man who created heaven and earth now. God did have the closest man behind him, beside him, and he teach him everything. The only thing he never teach him for is to blow breath.
Bread.
And when I see there, I him the Satan, I
So
him
what you
turn
want to
against
say,
God.
what you want to say to me, Satan a PNP?
That was, Jesus Christ, you could have asked more than that. Eh? You
Yo,
could
me
have asked
say,
more than that. The people
classic,
then
the
do
man that talk,
everything that's wrong, bro.
classic, the umbre talk and caution life, I want jump on, and talk my mind, but me keep it cool and go and listen to them. But me I tell you, say, it's like the man that talk and like he say him not live here. Cause a man, if him live here, we can't talk them something there. They
No,
care if
but
you
him
have
not live here.
PNP, yes
Him
or
not live
no.
here. Him not live here. Him not live here.
Him not live here. Cause I'm here one at a time. So look at infrastructure go up here and there and that's nothing to boast about. And I say, yo, where this brother come from?
Some
Where
little.
come from?
Him think a fall cube will be out there.
I,
And even
I,
if fall cube them will be out there a tunnel.
Man say, yo, what we are
Mega
excited
structure.
about is nothing to excited about.
listen, because he's not there to see what is going on. And
Everything come.
what him a do is stay over. That's what they do. As soon as they lose them power, then leave the country and go a
Me
different
everyone
task or go work.
and make you say something.
Hold on
Yeah.
the eagle, remember you know saying it two cap them come here to my brother. See cap them though you have to feel. And you run gone, you're not gone still in there in the chat.
Yeah.
But
Sometimes me I listen to Caution live yesterday and me want go on panic, but me know them I go show me so me say, you know what, I need even that bother. But sometimes I say to myself, say, which part me miss out? Me I say then, me I try to remember which part of Jamaica me miss out when Jamaica was good. Cause for me born from me born and I grow, Jamaica never been good. Jamaica is the best it is now. From me born and I grow, and me almost 50 years old. So when me listen to them attack me, I say to myself, it look like me did a sleep out some part of Jamaica. Or me not well matter. Cause you know them are going like say, well then Andrew come in power in Jamaica gone worse than what it was.
And that I think
My brother, the best part in Jamaica, it was 1980. We will never get back the 80s again. The 80s was a blessed. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
I
What you
can
listen
tell
to
you,
them,
the
man?
80s was a great year, the 1980s. It was prosperity, it was blooming, bro. I can tell you that. When we go through this in the 70s, that's what it was 1979, where long grain rice, banana on long grain rice. Nothing rice you couldn't get to buy. A banana you have to buy, and the price you have to pay for banana at the price of rice. You understand me? Chicken back. You'd have to go when you go and go to go buy chicken. You can't buy chicken.
You get what
You
it,
have to buy
man.
half a chicken and the rest a chicken back make up the chicken.
And I believe me do some buying. Me was young, but me know mama send me a
Yeah,
shop.
of course. I have to go see effects. See
Mm.
effects and
And things
tampons
was
and
married.
married to
Things
rice.
was married. Things was married for you. You couldn't get
Yeah.
one little bit of this, little bit of
At the
that.
biggest
And
marriage
that I could buy
jackpot
with that.
going on in the 70s, and it run by Michael Manley until we win 1980.
Yo,
When we win
outlaw.
1980, everything changed.
Outlaw, you couldn't tell the people them say Damian Crawford sell 70 goat over the 50 year
Never
that
tell it.
well,
Yeah,
well,
that's how I
70.
get. But you know, no teeth,
The man,
man. No teeth, man. You hear me tell him, man, him mad. He get mad.
the man
But
make
tell him,
over
say,
$1 million in a Christmas, you know. Just out
Damon
of goat,
Crawford,
you know.
Damon Crawford no do nothing more and go school and in a town he live him no know nothing. So which part him
Mm.
fi get gold from? I must see
Him in
Marcus
the
spending to
wrong
go
No,
to
man, no, no,
Haiti
no, no,
get
no,
gold.
no, 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 no. Hold on. Damian Crawford would have gotten more benefits from the small ruminants than any other Jamaican. He he would have imported over 100 of these hybrid goats under this small ruminant program.
Mm-hmm. Right.
The minister spoke about it, but at the same time, Damian Crawford would say nothing nah go on in agriculture.
So what
And
to
this is
Roger
what they
Clark?
continue to
What
do
to
because
Roger
guess
Clark?
what?
Roger Clark
What
come
happened
they
now?
have them and they go with them.
Remember, you know, Damian Crawford wants to ensure that the average Jamaican PNP no benefit from agriculture. Him alone for reap the spoils.
Yes,
Well,
babe.
what me would like for you to do, bro? It's a mineral right now. It's farming. And if we can farm and build back our farm and show them the mineral we want to have down there, diamond and pearl, and eat.
Well,
Classic.
does anyone here know the school Maypen Primary?
I
If you
heard
do
about.
Maypen
FM
Primary
7.
now has a greenhouse.
In the
Mhm.
past
Primary
7's road.
school has a
In the past
greenhouse.
7's road. In the past 7's
Yeah,
road.
man, that same school.
Okay.
That's good,
But
boy.
anyway, I'm never,
So, so
no
I am
answer something. I'm going to jump off.
what I'm getting at, my friend, is that under the PNP, you wouldn't even think about even like a backyard garden in the school. Now you
Why?
see schools having greenhouse technology,
How about the boy? We need that.
Amen.
That was
and,
it. That
But,
was what
and you
but
ever
we
tell me
classic.
say
grew
there's
up
no
on.
investment?
But
Every
classic.
school.
Classic.
Yes,
Now I'm
sir.
going to leave. Outlaw. Now I'm going to leave.
Mhm.
But I said this before me leave. Um, me I go ask everybody on the panel to tell me out of all of the questions we ask, and we asking one main question to tell me what market you have come with. What takeaway did you get from that man? Never leave. I'm on no because I don't know if you're gonna listen to him.
Bro, the man have no,
Me
no,
not if you come with, man.
the man have nothing, bro.
Don't look a fool
Anyway,
talking about
If you
marketing
notice,
about
him
anything
just
what
like
them
what
privatization
do,
every one
and
of them do.
scamming, bro, scamming.
Him get
Because
away
you
from
can't
him
talk
get
to
away
people and tell them where you come with, and
him get,
like how we speaking right now,
You know
and
what kind,
talk our plan and our arrangement.
you know
Because
what
listen,
if
kind
you
of
have to
plans
build
Mark
a
Golding
house,
have? You
if
know
you
what
have to
kind of
listen.
build a house, you have to do your plans, ain't it?
field plans
Andrew,
is?
Andrew, Andrew done a touch everything already. So there is nothing there when I get touched. So there is nothing that he can come with. There is nothing vacant there. Like the man I touch every
Boxy.
sector and everything. So he cannot find nothing to point and to say, well, this now be done and me I go do this. Everything I talk about I will already are done. There is
No.
nothing there for you do.
and it's not
Ah,
just him. It's not just him. It's all of them as supporter, leaders and supporter. Every one of them you ask, we can't tell it because you got teeth it. That's all
yo,
them can say.
but
Every
bossy,
one of them say the same thing.
you know what Mark Goldman plans is to come for him and entrepreneur his friend, mash up back the economy. We are trying to build that they plan.
Better
But
me.
it surprised me when Eagle said that because Eagle seemed sound intelligent, so I didn't expect him to be one of the person who would come with something like that.
Listen.
Him is a
Myself wonder
supporter.
every
Him
time
is a
too, you know.
supporter, so you should not. That's why I mean, you know why me come out of the box? Cause me could never have a conversation with him. Cause him saying that him bright and him acting like him bright. All him do is talking. That's why I mean come out of the box, you know, cause me realize this is somebody you cannot talk to.
I wonder if I the same guy when me hear say him achieve a house at age 21 under the PNP government. I don't know if I him. Is it him? Because I really want to ask that one day, you know.
Most
I
likely
really
it
want
is.
to ask that one day say, how can you? Cause him I say him lean to the PNP because when the PNP was in power in of him youth days, him was able to achieve a house at age 21 and buy a car at age. So me really want to say to him, say, brother, simple say to we say, the PNP hand me some money, I got some hands out from them, and I was able to do that because there's no way you can be a 21-year-old and achieve a house at age 21. You must see a work for you, your idea you need. So me wanted to ask him. I don't know if I him, you know, cause I want the sound intelligent to him talk like him bright and things. So me I wonder if I the same brother.
So
So
Sam,
I really want to ask him.
I want everyone to just turn their attention to the big screen. Look what the Parish Development Committee in Clarendon is giving to schools. Look at that.
You want magnify glasses? It is. Yeah.
No, you don't really have to read what go on, you know. But look,
Okay,
you see
okay.
the tubes and so?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
that is how the greenhouse is
Farming.
retrofitted.
Mm-hmm.
That's a greenhouse. That is a greenhouse.
So what it says is that greeting school community with using sustainable land management and climate smart approaches, supported by Global Environment Facility Small Grants Program organization, which is the Clarendon Parish Development Committee Benevolent Society. Objective is to implement sustainable practices and renewable energy in Rock River, Simons, Victoria, and Maypen primaries. These are the schools. All right. The other ones that we would have given before this, they weren't retrofitted like this. You understand me? And these monies would have come from even the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change. I say ministry name, but forgive me. But that's the ministry that these monies would have come through. But ministries don't give organizations like this money just so. It would go through another agency, like the Global Environment Facility Small Grants Program. You understand? And I'll just show you some more pics. I always try to find these things. So show PNP say, well, Uno never did that do.
We are do.
We are
A
doing
true
now.
man. Them
Things
the something never heard of in a for them time, brother.
Exactly.
No.
And I'm just calling on the other parish development committees and other groups in other parishes to implement programs like these. And this is why our parish development committee in Clarendon is rated as the best in Jamaica, because we are ensure schools benefit. Schools get all full cob and them stuff there. And when you
Mm.
think about the schools up in the upper part of Clarendon, they have greenhouses, they have full coop, and even the farming groups, they benefit just the same. Billions of dollars spent on agriculture.
Listen,
And we are
you
doing
see
small,
agriculture
small
minister here where we have every
things.
day me hear me announce things, new things. Every time you see man, him a announce something for the farmers them. Something giving out. The road a fix you now, man, so they don't have no road for ball boat again. So they just a crawl in their heart and I wonder what they can come up with again. And the road,
See one more greenhouse there.
yeah. Only a spin in a farming, brother.
Yeah, man, that is it. That is it for sure. We continue to make strides.
Did you see right across the country the turnout last night? Right
Ah,
across the country.
you take you out of my mouth, you know. I hit me
Did
just
we
a go
did
talk
you
about.
really see the turnout right across the country last night? How people out
People
celebrating and enjoying
come out and
themselves?
about and I spend like
And
crazy.
celebrating and enjoying themselves. And yet still these evil people get up every day and I tell people about people that suffer and they're dead for hungry. Look at last night.
Guess why no? Guess why no? They ended up sit back and I wait for look for see turnout flap, you know. But then get a surprise, just like how they get a surprise with the conference. I saw they get a surprise with Grand Market last night. Mr.
Look at
Van Morning, me on the
last night when
phone.
you look
I watch
right
video.
across the country speak for
Every
itself last
town,
night.
brother. Every town.
True. True.
Seller.
Eh?
The only
Everybody.
one me see where they post, so me never see nobody a halfway tree. Somewhere halfway tree there, so me never see
What
nobody
you
that one.
talking about back there?
But
About
maybe when that a girl video that,
out.
maybe the people them never come out
I
yet. I
wrote
don't know.
black thing off a tree. Peanut man, everybody, chicken man, everybody I do them thing and everybody I enjoy themselves. And when me say every time you hear these people talk, man, me I tell you, man.
But me
Yeah?
I tell you, every town, brother, every town a rock. Me say they shame now, they know how nothing fi come out come say today now, cause me know they need a wait enough to say, I'ma watch where they turn out flapping up for them contact. Say, see it, no money in the country. But then get a surprise so they can't chat this morning.
More people are work, Virgin. If more people are work, you will see more people come out to spend.
Yeah.
Of
Money have
course.
grown.
I know say
Money support money, you know. And business support business, you know. I
urban
just like
people. When you look on Reddit's Road yesterday, last night, Reddit's Road black off. Yeah? You know a place a black with people last night, I'm look on it to in a sentence, Brownstone. The whole
aye.
place,
Me see that one there too.
the
Black
whole
car.
place, black off with
Christiana.
people.
Same thing. Yeah?
I
Down
enjoy
at Tomato
themselves.
Town Junction. Black car, same
More
way.
ask Chris Carter one question. Chris Carter, you know got the gospel concert where I go on in your area there. That's Makulski keeping that one. And not because you not support him, you know, brother. You can't go support him gospel concert. It's free. It's free for everyone in Jamaica.
I tell you, man.
Oh, see General a come up now.
But classic.
Good
Me
night,
not
Yo.
see no,
everybody.
me
Merry
not see none
Christmas.
of them
Merry
P.
Christmas.
Me not see none of them MP posts where them do for their
Them
constituency.
them not do nothing. That's why
I,
them can't post nothing.
I
May I
true, you
say
know, me,
good
I
night,
wonder the
everybody.
same
Me
Yeah
thing.
say
man,
all of
greetings
the
Chris. Give me
JLP
a second now with Chris now. Give me a second with
MP
Chris.
them a post where them a do. Where them a
Chris
keep
and I
treat
guy
and
got
them
the
stuff with them.
concert.
Hold on. Me go over here, man. But it was early, I know. Me soon left out.
Oh.
Me go over here, man. And me go there until it start to finish, man.
So how long now it that gospel concert something there keep?
Years that keep, man. Years.
Yeah sure.
You can't. Yeah, you're telling me, man. The founder.
Namakowski
Hold
do
on.
that
Hold
one.
on.
Namakowski do the one last year and this year.
The founder for that. The founder for that concert. You see.
Uh-huh.
Right beside me, auntie live. Many auntie and neighbor. Peter is the founder. Peter Powell.
So in other words it's not Makowski's
I don't
event.
know. Listen me. Peter, they don't gonna don't know who take it over right now.
Okay.
Mhm. So, but me go man, but I'm a come for one dinner. So me just come a yard and just say, boy, me go forward because me call a couple of my friends them and they say they up there already.
Oh. Cause
Mhm.
true me not hear you promote it. Cause true you say you not support him. So me think say
No,
that's
but if people them can't see, okay, all right, now ask you a question.
mm-hmm.
If you no go, all right, you're a party man and you're a promoter. Listen me keenly, you know. And you don't support people. When you keep your party, you expect nobody to come support you.
No.
All right, the argument, rest of the argument there. Nobody gonna know further.
So when you keep for your party?
Brother, me to all I know, master, my friend, that much last night, the amount that stabbing up one Christian and gunshot fire, this one, I say, in the come dry yellow tape and something. Brother,
I know
me,
so to them I saying to myself, maybe I first me not hear no stab up and
the go
them
on, man,
things
but
there.
get at me now. The boy, where they stab up is a little troublemaker. Because,
Oh, okay.
so, he make him mother did that all about, you know. Gunman, we want him and then catch him and then give him a 9 shot.
Jesus.
So you can't imagine what kind of man them there. Problem people, any brother.
So him still alive?
No, man, in the hospital, man, he may say, well, in lungs, but he puncher.
You see, this are the strain of them I put on the hospital now, you know. A whole
Simple.
heap of money for go save for him life, you know.
Our hat
Probably
no answer.
cheaper to bury him.
Then the people that die hearted come ready no answer.
Oh boy. You should have got a gospel concert tonight instead of last night go get trouble. Get
Yeah,
some
yeah,
little
but
God in
yeah,
there.
man, they not gonna know, man. Any problem that they did, man, they go, man.
Oh.
The man, the only time they might go somewhere with gospel, like, people like if they did, I'm gonna church and use the pastor to preach about him.
You probably get up and left too.
Well, me hear discussion them whole one man saying you eagle to the whole day to right. Me got me the mandible. Me come back, me had the live on right through mandible come back in my bathroom, I bed me I listen it right through. And not even know when when I tell eagle jump out of the box and come back.
Well, you go get in wing clip, real
Look
clip.
at me tell the PNP them say we are wipe them off of the map once and for all. We are done with them.
I'll tell you something. You see, if Eagle did dep on one different live for him since there, he would have beat so many people to and from. But
Yes,
Eagle admits him then I want him then at the den
if he
of
need the power
wise men
if
and
he need the
people
power
lifestyle.
live where people like where the PNP them attack over the labor right them in a have more power.
Mm-hmm.
But independent neutral ground where everybody has speak when I for them time. Listen, then you speak.
You get a good date, man.
All them attacks a PNP build that the school the PNP and go change the name of the school them. They might be the one.
No. What them do, them open the schools because the Labour Party would have built the school and only thing leave for it to do is open and the PNP open it. Just
Well,
like some houses.
I think couple of we might know this. I like discussion and a couple of other man. You know, say the most of the school in a bill are under Labour government when Edwin Allen was Minister of Education. Discussions also know that.
I
Don't
only learned
discussion
that. I learned that since year. I learn all of them something.
in
Never
discussion.
know that. Since year, I know.
What discussion?
Everything in a Jamaica built by Labour.
Okay.
Every good something. Every good something.
Them and them two little thing where them attack. It seem like today him a come talk about telecommunication. I'm saying me no want him out talk like the first person bring telecommunication to Jamaica.
Jamaican.
Sierra.
You share, all right. Me I tell one look idiot today say, they shall save save the Greenfield Stadium. Me say not like that. Me say, brother, I have gone.
Eagle, when I stay too long, you know, you still not sending cap them coming up, brother. So nobody that foolishness, you know. I will clip your wing again.
In discussion,
Yes, sir.
me I tell them say, back in the early 2000, come up. A peer goat and cow in the Greenfield Stadium. The shall save, you know.
True.
The shall save the Greenfield Stadium.
True. The people about destruction, man.
Mass destruction.
2 times them destroy our country. And when you sit down and show it to them, them say no, it never happened. In the 70s with Michael Manley, one of the worst time Jamaica has ever seen. Come back on the PJ Patterns, when me tell you the man, fuck the country, you know. I don't know what they ever do the country. And them sit down and act like nothing never happened.
When I tell me trick the people, I say a black man time now. And win landslide.
Eagle go recoup and come back.
No, me there. I go down and the people them cancel the appointment. So come back now. Come
Hey,
get
Eagle.
I listen to you, man. I've been listening now on the For You page, you know.
Okay, boy. I want to say them beat and teach you today.
Beat?
You
Not
must learn one whole heap.
Listen, I'm tell you something. If me come at den, I'm for them. I have to turn up and take.
Let's go and take, brother.
Make me can't.
Hold on there.
When me
I
look
want
at
to
this,
can tell you, say, if I overseas you live, anytime, and listen, me now, anytime Andrew fly the gate, you have to take the first trip to Jamaica, come vote for him.
please, we are wishful thinking. Yeah, wishful thinking.
Wishful.
Good night.
Hey,
And get through there.
the man them beat it today, no?
Again.
And take time.
Good night. Big up everybody. Big up all the labor rights. Them. Big up
Good night. Merry Christmas.
PNP Makolski. One
Big up Eagle,
Makolski.
come on. You need to big up Eagle also. You're too hard.
Sean, aka Eagle.
Yes.
Sean, you know, me know Sean long time.
Yeah, like call up my name.
Yeah, me like call up your name, Sean. You pretend say you're Eagle, but you're not an Eagle. Me can't tell you you're white. You have wings, but you're not an eagle.
Yeah, got in a festive mood. But as a classic saying, me back up in a corner where everybody take a rest and go and come back. I'm weather the storm. Zane.
One the eagle, hold on. Or was the concert that Makowski keep, Cassie?
It's tonight. And tonight it happen. Chris will be there. Chris Carter.
Yeah, Chris Ago. You say what
man.
here, Chris rude to me, you know.
Yeah?
You rude to me, bad. Good night, Trudy. Yeah, may I come at the concert? Yeah, come Eagle.
No, we're not gonna.
A labor right something, yeah, come?
No. We're not party this.
Why?
Eagle.
Yeah, try
That
come over our
concert is not
side.
for
So
you,
you
right?
can
That's for
come.
everybody.
Hell no.
For everybody, man. It's a gospel concert.
It's a gospel concert.
What kind of politics you put in the gospel?
Chris, you now come.
All right, I'm do it, keep.
Oh, so yeah, go.
Uh-huh.
Let me tell you something, guys. It don't matter who the party select. We're still labor rights. So if them not pick with cousin or with friend or with counselor who was MP,
The
that
eagle.
was at a particular division for over 20 years, or you know, pick, it was still a labor. We vote for whoever the party selects. Right? I saw it for go.
Yeah, that is it. That is it.
Yeah. We
So
don't want to camouflage
see
labor
the
right.
thing now.
One labor
See the
right.
thing now.
Christiana, Bells and Symphony Gospel Concert at Apple Tree Plaza tonight, the 25th of December. And it is free. So come out in your numbers. Principal
That is it.
Production. Yes, Peter's Place. Come out, guys. Big up yourself. Magano, yeah?
Respect,
All right,
respect.
take care.
Yeah.
So, Eagle.
I poke here, it open discussion.
Now
No,
listen
no,
to
no,
him.
no, sir. No, no. Oh,
So,
you know.
Eagle.
Yeah, man, I read my face.
So, look at. So what you cover them? They not run no life again like all the Sean Storm and
You
the
see,
Blair and the whole
we
of
take
them.
time out for the family time, you know. We can't speak politics all day of the year. I just threw me a past from the classic, I stop for a minute, but may end up get caught up. Today's a family day.
Every day a family day, man. Family not no special day.
You see, when you get a day for run one time, no PNP answer. So you know, when you get all the
Hey,
audience.
look here.
But
Look at that.
Eagle, we as
Eagle,
a
hold on.
we as labor go on PNP platform go beat
That
you know one
and
like one
Eagle,
away.
I
I go
want
over
to
chef,
know. Me,
I go
me
over
want to tell you
Dr.
something,
Chef
you
go
see.
beat you all of them already.
When we done it, you see. The only time we never go on social media like when we get phone call on WhatsApp or on Facebook. We are
Wow.
wipe our PNP for the map completely.
All Howard we beat Howard whole heap of time. To see him then him just
you can't beat Howard, man.
Why?
we beat
Because
so if we can beat
then
if
kick off
we
our
can
PNP.
beat you, why we can't beat Howard?
How we are talking about?
Hold on. What do you come up with say you beat me? If I've been
Eagle, you
gang
win no clip since night. Eagle.
by nine by hold
Eagle.
on, it's you guys gang me, see? And I don't allow me to try to speak when I want to speak. I have to concede and say, all right,
No
you
man,
say
No, that's not true.
you
Please
get
don't
time
tell
to speak.
nobody that.
Don't do
That's
that
not true.
Eagle.
no, I'm not
Everybody
telling
you
you
have
that,
your
but
No,
chance.
no. Let me
but
explain
I'm
to you.
never gonna
Let me
challenge you with
explain.
a
You
No,
have
question.
no, no,
your
no.
chance to talk.
Let me explain to you. Like today
Mhm.
you come with that what you know. I probably never know. I'm gonna give it to anyone know which we know is crap. And I point it out here and say, if my fellow brothers them don't know, I'm going to tell you, when you say it's PNP bring telecommunication come to Jamaica, that is
I
how
never
we
said
think.
that. I said PNP revolutionized telecommunication. I
No,
just
no,
said
no,
this.
no, 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 sir. Do not, no, please, don't dig
If I'm
no
going
hole
to tell you
deeper than
that,
that. No, no, no.
I said they revolutionized
No, no, no.
telecommunication, they took cable
That's
and wireless
no,
out
no,
of
no, no,
one
no,
at
no,
100
no, no,
years.
no, no, no. They did not say that. So
Okay,
don't
how?
dig no hole deeper.
No man, no man, no open
No,
discussion.
no,
But
no,
I
the whole of the
said
no, no,
discussion,
no.
never
I
ask you
asked you.
that
Remember
question.
the question I asked you? I asked you to tell me, and I said I take my hat off to you when you explained to me, say he's a young Jamaican who make it, and you make it under PNP days, and I said take off me hat to you, I salute you. However, I want you to tell me under the PNP administration what they ever done for Jamaica, and you said your answer was they brought telecommunication to Jamaica, and I had to tell you no.
the
Because
revolutionized
apparently the company
telecommunication.
name that you call, you look like you never know about Jamintel. You didn't know
Okay,
about Jamintel, and that is
okay.
how we
I was
beat you.
living.
It's not a case of say
First of all,
nobody
I
loud
live
and
in
you
Saint
are
Thomas.
that. You did, sir, you did not know. You did not
Saint
know.
Thomas. No. I live in Saint Thomas. Jamintel is right there, or by Pomfret in Saint Thomas
So
at the
how
time.
come you didn't know
All
that?
right,
So I'm
Eagle.
saying to you, I said to you, under the People's National Party government, we revolutionized telecommunication.
No, that's not what you said.
Okay, I
Unfortunately, that's
went on to say
no,
that
sir.
we were,
Unfortunately, that's not what you said.
okay, but I did went on to say that we set a trend for the Caribbean to follow. right? They follow us, our trend, and bring in digital back
Yo,
the
me
entire
not
crowd.
nice. But caution upstream. You're live and I play upon him live right now. Me not nice. Me just call you to tell you that. Me just come up to tell you that.
All right, my
Make him
boss.
stream it. No, I do respect you. Make him stream it because people hear the truth.
Eagle,
Caution.
Eagle, hold on. Hold on. Never ask one question. Eagle,
Caution, I feel satisfied by doing that.
classic,
At
hold on.
least,
Never ask
at
Eagle
least
one
the
question.
people in here are whole heap of truth out of Eagle today.
Eagle,
Eagle, you know
which
you can't go back
which
on your life.
ear?
Don't it, Eagle?
Which
Why
ear?
can't I
Hold
go
on
back
there,
on the
Chris.
list?
Hold on there, Chris. Eagle. You know them out beat you know when you go over there in live, you know. And that is why we
I
see
say
Howard
if we want
come
to,
over
when
here
I have
so many
PMP,
times and I know one company platform.
when I have PMP, different set of people, you know. You see, we're not contanglers, you know. It's just that whenever we come, the disrespectful that people bring towards us, Zane, and then
Don't say
when
that,
this
man. Don't no no. Every time you open your mouth,
discussion,
you no 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 no.
we and
I
Sean
want it.
stand
No no
for
no
the
no no.
one.
Listen to me now, and I'm going to ask a fair question.
You see, you
You
allow me
can
finish.
lead. No sir. Listen to
Yo,
this.
me there want dinner. I me just get a
Listen to this
call.
question.
Somebody I try to get to you, but them nah get to you. But them tell me if it come on the live and tell us them over there. I stream your live right now and I play it.
Make him play
Okay,
it,
bro.
man, because he's not going here. Make him play it, me youth. Back to Eagle now. Eagle, you're talking about disrespect. And tell the people them that listening in the world now which platform you know that is a JLP platform that have disrespect like your idiot friend when you caution. Just tell us one, half. Don't give us one. Give me half that
Me
you know
surprised.
that
Me
have
surprised
disrespect
when me
like
look me see
caution.
Eagle still up on the platform. It seems like my family wanna teach him a lot today, and him get to understand the true nature of politician.
I mean, I ask him a question now because him just say something like him want to put we down. I mean, want to tell the world
That
that is
because
listening.
caution is being
I want
screened.
this is the question that I ask you, and I want you to answer the question. You say disrespect, and you talk like a we disrespect. Name me other bloggers, place that you can go that have disrespect like that next day over there, sir. Tell me one.
Again, when you and caution buck up on a
No,
pan,
no, 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 no. I don't
listen,
want
listen,
you when
listen,
you
listen,
come up.
listen, no,
All
no,
this I go round the
no, but
spend.
you're asking a
Listen, no, 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 sir,
Open
don't do that.
discussion.
Don't, sir,
Open
don't do that.
discussion.
Sir, don't.
You have to allow
People
him
let me
to
talk to you.
finish, you know. Make
Sir,
him talk,
people let me
man.
talk to you. No, no, don't do that. You just said
All
out of
right,
your
guys.
mouth.
Merry Christmas again.
Same to you, sir.
All right,
You
plan.
just said out of your mouth when you come over here, so it's like we are the disrespectful one. And here I am asking you now to name us one blogger that you know that disrespectful like that little idiot prisoner there. Tell me one.
again. I'm not gonna sit here and partake with you, you know,
Oh, you can't
chastising,
party with the boy. You
with
can't
you
point your finger
chastising
upon we boy.
him.
You know
That
what?
well,
Classmate
listen, hold
McGran,
on,
I
brother.
can't deal with that
Allow
person.
me, you see, you know what me talk, Zane?
No, you can't talk because here you is. You quick for point your finger upon we and I tell you so we are the
No,
eight. And
I
when you
said I
ask
don't like to have.
no, 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 sir. And when me a debunk it, no one I say, show me, just tell us one person that have disrespect like oh that person have disrespect. You're going to go around the corner and say like you never said. Stand up to what you say as a man, man. Don't do that. Everybody just hear you say we like you say we are the person like we are the fucked up person. And when I pointed out to you that we can go and I can go and you have a next faggot one again when you attack and I disrespect people. Yeah, you have a next one named Mikey again when you attack and I disrespect people. So don't come over here and talk like we's the disrespectful one. Them people that have nothing about them, the whole of them are low life. Talk about them. Don't come over here and point the finger upon we.
And you have you have, I think you have an avenue to have a if you have beef with somebody because of what you think they said to you, and there are times you meet up on a platform, you can outline your beef. You see, I am not here to outline any beef because I'm nobody on a beef, but I'm simply saying that if I'm on this platform and you starting to get disrespectful, I'm gonna exit. Okay, because I'm like an outcast on this platform. So come here, you guys be disrespectful.
Eagle, why you run? You say, actually, you say caution as stream the live, man. And that's why you run.
Oh, you see, for
No
your
run, man.
information,
look
Are
here,
your
man. No run, man.
information
Look here.
running,
No run, man.
running for
No
what?
run.
It's not like I'm doing anything wrong.
No,
I
no,
am
but no
defending
run,
my
man. But
party, same thing Caution defending party.
all right, me I go
And
ask before
Caution
you run.
passionate
Me I go
about his
ask you one
party.
question before you run.
Caution
Eh,
passionate about his
Well,
party.
I know. Me I go ask you one question before you run.
likewise, you.
Well, I
Caution, I
know.
get paid for the way I'm doing, you know. So
Uh,
Well,
I
I
when
know.
you,
Well, I know.
support
if
from passion.
Eagle.
All right.
Which year cellular phone get popular in Jamaica?
okay, which first of all, the first set of the
Somebody
first of
go
that
over
show.
Caution
Hold on,
and
no,
tell me how much
hold on,
people
no,
over there.
hold on, no. The first of that people, the first of that phone coming was the Nokia 3310.
No,
Okay.
no. Me not ask you what
Yeah,
me
you asked
ask
me
you
a
which
question.
year?
You see,
Which
that's the problem
year?
with labor rights, you know.
Which
I'm
year
giving
did
you a breakdown
cellular
and
phone get popular
I'm
in
trying to
Jamaica?
educate you on the thing. Okay? Cable and wireless brought in the Nokia 3310s. Okay? At that point in time, we moved from the brick phones or the labor them having in the 90s, in the early in the 80s. Moved from the brick phone. Now, with the 3310s, there were some flip phones, but cable and was charging $21 per minute. If somebody called for 10 seconds, it was a minute. Is when time we had to fight with them to get out the 100-year contract that you said.
Okay, answer my question. Me ask you which year
Oh my
did
God,
cellular phone
I
get
am getting,
popular? Popular.
It might break it down. It might break it down. It can
I'm
go.
breaking it down for
So,
you
so,
because it's
so people, Caution ugly enough for stream live with only 27 people over there. I same thing pop down.
Yeah, one
Bad.
now.
Here,
And
That
Yeah,
bad, bad.
yesterday,
done.
yeah, I
yesterday
don't
him
have
go on
it.
live and him
okay.
run live for you all day yesterday with about 6 somebody on it.
Because nobody want to list. That's exactly what I'm saying to her.
No, at one point he had more than that. Cause at one point me pass and he have more than that. But me tell you, Caution literally bad mind. He man bad mind. He have a bad mind in him. You listen to how he talk and listen to how he criticize people and listen to man have literally have bad mind in him. I mean listen to him from time to time. I say he can't help being bad mind, brother.
I know it's not fair for one to come here and
Eagle,
attack
let me
Caution
answer
like
this.
that or attack
Eagle,
Yeah,
Caution.
man,
Eagle,
I want to
but
see me
me
can't
tell
talk to
him
him like a
straight.
man.
Eagle,
Me
Eagle,
tell him straight, he
Eagle,
not allow me to tell
Eagle,
him.
answer
Me
this and
not
tell
me
me
dance
this.
on the platform to
Eagle,
tell him.
answer this and tell me if this is right. Have you ever seen a JLP supporter take up a child, somebody else's child, and post it up and a disgrace the child? Have you ever seen that? And tell me within yourself if that's not one of the lowest things so a human being can do.
No, you see, what you want is to get out of me feelings, you see? And I
No, the truth the man want to tell you.
no, but
You
it
see, I
cannot be the
want to
truth. It
speak the
cannot be the
truth.
truth.
That is what I'm asking. I don't want to get a set here. Have
No,
you
but you
ever
cannot.
seen
Okay,
any JLP supporter take another
I
person's child? Listen, take another person's child and go to the lowest of the low and post that child picture up so the world can see. Have you ever seen that? And plus, I want you to tell me if that's not low, if that's not dirty.
Just he have a talking point.
again, you
Tell me
see?
if that's not low. Tell us if that's not low.
Again,
Yeah,
when you're in
yeah,
the
allow him
game,
to talk. I
well, I
want to
know,
hear
but
now.
when you're in the game, right, attacking people's character, Zane, some people try to hit you where it hurts, and if connect to your child, make it hurt, and the message come home to you to leave that person alone. Then, if that's the case, that's the method that person use. That's how that's the effective for them.
All right, so Eagle, would you
Because
still
You
none
not
of
still
no,
know?
don't answer the question. I said, tell the world if that's
it's
not a
not right.
low
It's not
punch.
right for
A
nobody
child,
to
you take
attack
a
anybody. It's
child.
not right
Tell,
for
no, no,
nobody to
no.
attack anybody.
Some people may ask him, look, people, help me and tell him to answer the question
No,
now.
man, him
No,
say
it's
it's not
not
right.
right. It's not right to attack
Okay.
anybody.
Okay,
No
that
way
one hear you
farmership.
say.
No way farmership.
Okay.
So
Okay then.
when you
That is
attack the
just to
man,
show you how low down there.
no,
That
but
is just to
when you
show
attack
you
the man,
and
when you
show the
attack the
world
man
how low
somewhere, the
down
man
them
will
is.
find a defense mechanism to make you get your attention.
That is just to exactly, and that is just to show you two things. For one, it show you how them playing, and for two, for show you how grimy them can get.
Yeah,
So
but you
don't
see,
come over here now and point your finger like we
But
are the
Eagle,
grimy ones. It's not we.
With all fairness, I say Eagle, if you have a platform and I have a platform and I use my platform to beat you, you know go over for your platform and beat me. What you pick for my beat me for?
but you see, when you take me and put me to the public and register me to the public,
I going to tell you
No, man.
one thing, you know.
Hold
I
on,
going
hold
to
on,
tell you
hold
one
on,
thing.
hold on.
What discussion?
Don't
What
feel
Hold
like
discussion?
it's
on,
the end of it to what him do
hold
to that
on,
woman and her
hold
child.
on.
Don't feel like it's the end of it to what him do that woman and her child, you know. It's not the end of it.
Him mute, you know. I will mute him. Are you mute yourself? Oh, him probably upon him call.
I can't say something now.
Yeah, man, I can hear you.
Yeah. Look here, let me tell you something. You know. Me listen to the brother there over the year, over the time from Blacking Start and well, I will listen to him and thing. And but as somebody said earlier on, him have bad mind at the ice level. And one of the things we must find out when him over in platform and him a cuss out people, a cuss out labor right. If him can't find a labor right for cuss out, him end up start cuss out PNP. Him run gone for him can't take him.
True that.
When
Hear
him
him.
can't, you see them, make him stay down in the comment and listen. I mean, when I listen down there. You see them afraid of him. Them afraid of
They
caution.
can't talk around
Them
him,
can't
brother.
talk. Them can't talk. But
When
we,
they over upon him,
Please, I am
no,
not
them
hearing the
can't
me
echo.
talk.
listen.
I'm hearing
If
in a
him
late.
run gone, fam can't deal with my
Me no
argument.
going in box, you know. Me no
Well,
going in
understand?
box, you know.
Well,
But
understand?
me listen.
Well, sometimes I
Alright.
stop going in box. I have to come in a box where me there. We're not film platform. But you see him have bad mind to the lowest level and him just born the way there. So when time
True,
come
man.
and talk about Eagle, come and talk about if this the mechanism where man I used to beat man. Not like that the man just bad mind and grudgeful and envious. And
Yes, sir.
it nah come out of him. So when me as I say when I'm fine with them brother there, when me fine with them him and the PNP them, I'm afraid of him, the PNP bloggers them and the PNP them. Them always have to suck up to him because them know same with bun them out and one day me hear him over there and beat some labor, I beat
Tell you
labor right
what.
and him couldn't find no more labor right for beat. And the man turn pan him PNP friend them and start beat them. Stop.
Alright. Me
Him have
testify
a
to that.
mental
That.
illness. Him
Me
have a
listen to
mental
him.
illness.
That
He's sick, man.
mental
Me
Yeah.
illness
listen
to
to him
himself.
turn on. You see when he on the platform, you see him who you the attack when he over caution. You then cannot talk freely, brother. They come like
Can't
a
talk freely,
dummy
them
in
don't
the
know.
box. Listen. Me don't know for what reason, but you see as me go up on my phone and I skip in thing always come up on my phone. I don't know why. Me can't get rid of him.
Maybe him friend
Me
you,
not
maybe
going
him
in
a follow
box,
you.
but me listen to him. When they over there, they cannot talk. You see, if they make one mistake and I say something different from what him I say or ever try correct him for something, brother, when he done with them, him man sick and he
You
have bad mind with it.
you
He have
charge
bad
of your
mind with
hug
it.
him up. Of your hug him up. Caution you finish. Make the man finish now. You know conversation. Make the man finish now, Louis. Make the man finish now. If you tell him where he is, watch a man. Me not afraid of caution, you know. Caution me not near my yard. So guess what? Who not afraid of him? Me not afraid of him. Me can argue with him any day, anytime. Because me not afraid. And what I find say, him just talk on the top of him head. Him don't know nothing about the politics, none at all. Him just chat.
Guess what? He have bad mind with the man. Cause no care how you know the truth. You know, me listen to him from time to time. And me show you something. You see, once you now say what him a say, brother, a disrespect. So when that brother they have to just know
Exactly.
a
The man
foolishness.
can't reason for 5 minutes good without him not get dark.
Aye.
Him can't, as classic say him have a mental problem. Yeah, but if
Yeah,
a mental problem to himself and him alone have, we know what heap of people have.
yeah. You know
But
what do you me hear him? Me sure what do you me no know what going on with some tasty party thing, right? And then claim say the owner for the tasty party business is a black man. And they must say,
I idiot man.
you see how they turn? They must beat down on the black man. If I didn't want white man, they would have hug him up. So me I say same thing now. They say the same man who want one white man to run the country, you know.
Yeah. But the case in
You
party
see a
owner
mix
is
up.
a China man.
You see a mix up. Cause he must say if it's a white man, they hug him up and love him up, but because a black man, they must beat him down and fight him. But me I say the same you want one white man to run Jamaica.
Sam, and other bloggers, let me tell us this. You see the way forward for next year, brethren, we must say take up we knee out of Mark Golding neck. That is the way forward.
We need must come out time neck. Now listen to them and not follow them about this and that, and we must go down the road there. Watch a man, next year is a different year. We need must come out of the white.
Because them a play dirty. Them a play dirty.
We need, hey, let me tell you something, you know hear how passionate me attack? Me want to sit upon this here phone here, hold my phone here. Maybe me older than the whole I want to read upon the life here. Right here now, for me I'm 55. January I come here 56. Me work with God's man for 8.5 years as a security guard. I mean, I tell you, say back in the 90s, and me alone did it as a labor right. And if you ever hear how the man them beat Eddie Siago, demonize the man over the time. And all of a sudden, everybody, I got this like a white fellow here. I must move away from the racism. Now, me a one blagger, me don't have nowhere to go where racism is concerned. If it was right them time, it a go right you know. I mean, I ask the item, don't ease up on the knee out of my holy neck for the way forward. Now, when he must come out time neck.
Trampling. And then I play fear neither, you know, so that's why if you go.
No, my knee nah ease up, you know. My knee nah ease up out there. Say from me, the only black and only labor right of my knee in my neck, so be it. It a go so. And anytime he come from platform, I'm go run. I'm one of them run. But I shall always play the racist card. I not stop. If them walk
Man, have caution, I'm not dinner for an evening. If you spend the whole evening, I stream this alive upon films and thing.
Me nah tell you how much you bad mind, man.
And if you go down to the hospital, go get none of free food.
I wonder if him taxi, if him get a passenger throughout the Christmas, if him business do well.
No man, him not say work a starting.
Where can we statins?
Him say work a starting, brother.
You can't listen to foolishness.
But
If you ask what kind of work in the down there, ask what kind of work in the down there.
a politics are Yo, just the fact that he over there stream live, it shows you a clear bad mind that.
Yeah, if look here, man. The boy full up to you know who him can take set man is Chopper. Him just a worry about the man vehicle. And
Yes.
the man, hey, me I tell you say, I don't know how him sleep at night time. I don't know how him sleep at night time. But you know, say honestly, me not really want to talk about, honestly, me not really glad for talk about caution. Because I see us a waste.
What you said? Him a junker.
Low life.
My junker, true man.
Just the fact that he over there stream
Then
live.
you for dead meat.
Clear.
The way you say must stream, he must stream the live. He must stream the live, you know.
Yeah man.
Well,
With
let him
about
go and
20
stream it.
people over
Let
there.
him go and stream it. I want him. That means so we get attention. He must listen to it.
Exactly. How much people him have over there now, people? Yeah. Each time you hear say numbers are go up, you know.
Yeah, man, make it go
Want to go
on
up
up,
to
man.
all 1,000.
Make it go on up. My Nina come out time leader neck. Them have to content with me.
Real sign of bad mind, brother. I ain't that.
Well, you want come do things in the
Hey, you know,
past.
sir.
Get with it,
You
so.
know, sir, on a big man level, you know. Desmond Mackenzie. I give the infirmary people them 5-star meal for Christmas. Caution. You should have walked go down there.
Yeah, man,
So
our
you would get little
constituency.
dinner this evening.
Our constituency, and him live nearby too. And I'll talk when him live, but Caution
he
live
couldn't get
nearby.
none. Carl always saying couldn't get none because I guess everybody knows my PNP saying couldn't
No,
get
we
none.
not give him, man. We not stay like him. It's for the needy, you know. Why when we need it? So we not give him. We not give him, man. I fool that. We not give him. I mean, I encourage for him get some.
Remember,
Me
we
have
have a
nothing to do
kind
with
and
it.
caring government, you know, so
Yeah,
nobody
man,
will
go
be
give him,
left
man.
out. Him would have get
No,
little
sir.
simple, man.
Him can come at the shopping center. The way they are in, you see the shopping center where they are downtown, King Street, up in our Fletcher's land there. I don't know if the eye them know it. Who
Yeah,
they are
we know
coming.
it, man.
Yeah, may I tell you, say you see the place there? Some people when are homeless, you know. sleep there night time, you know. You can't go there, go sleep,
That means
come
saying
out the
if you
morning
sleep in
time.
a people them car anymore.
You're not for sleeping at the car again.
In a people them car.
My
Yo,
people
car.
them car.
Oh, cash and to hype and asleep in a car. It must have been comfortable.
I don't know what am doing if I'm asleep or am I waking at the people them care. But guess what? Me have one message this year and I keep focus. You see, look here, me and not even one labor right must fix from now until election. Not one. I don't care what one labor right say. Me have not one labor right now fix nine anomalies. Because we have one mission and it's for the third term.
Straight like that.
Yeah, man, that is it.
And like I said, we want if we know good reason. You know. We deserve if it all the good reasons in Jamaica, trust me.
Them
We not
want
just want like how PNP would have said them want win. They
them
want
want
win
it
just to win sake.
them want it for run free money and for put them on in the cookie. That's all them want it for. For run free money. For come give a free money. Where are you, Richard, I tell me, say, I tell we when they on a platform. You when they on a tell we say no. Yeah, the dunce argument. That's why sometimes I have to laugh, you know. Him say, for them love call people dunce, you know. And you have to laugh when them talk. Hear what I'm saying? Him say, you see the $2 billion, the how much $1 billion will come out of NHE for budget support? Oh, no, you know that classic, right?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, the 2 billion, the billions will come out of NHT for budget support. Him say, Mark Golden, I go put back the money there. So me ask him. So you see how them do? Them just make some statement and do no analysis, you know. And I tell you where it come from. So me ask him what the you say. So when he put back the billions, them billions back in the budget, back in a NHT, where the far short they are gonna go? Or we are gonna fill the gap there? Where we are gonna find the money? He can't answer me. And me as a little idiot could have figured out that. Because once you remove, once you put back that, you got to leave a hole in the budget. I mean, them just talk. I mean, I wonder to myself, so why is these people just talk and a reason out in them head where they must say it before them say it? Because if you are going to put back, so you not take the money from the NHE, where you are going to find the how much $1 billion they from? And him can't answer. And I still want him to answer. Where it come from?
You know, what's amazing, Ghana people, is the fact that Mark said he will take $45 billion out of the budget and give it to people. Now, when you do a rough calculation and divide it by $3 million, that's $15,000 per person. And when me look on the fact that 36 people could get housing solutions a few weeks ago, and one of them house, there, see how much millions is spent on that? My prime minister would have spent how much $1 billion on housing solutions so far. So me would have rather if you take $15,000 from Mark Golding or to see that my fellow Jamaicans, which include PNP, although PNP thinks them are one country, I get
Jamaica,
housing
you know.
solution and other social programs they are benefiting from. So caution really over there. A bat for the PNP if you get $15,000. $15,000.
Yeah, man. And the 20 what we give away there, them criticize it and say, oh, we are give up 12 year water head tax. And me ask them, we are ask them for the platform the other day, out of the give away a money where will come legitimate. Because watch ya, our money and we are borrowing the money. Because we are borrow money and say, we are give we are borrow money and we are draw out the money out of the NIR, out of the reserve and say, we are take it from somewhere where it rightly belongs to the government. And the government has a watch ya. Give me, it's like you is a landlord and you ask to your tenant and say, here, can you give me 10 months rent? the tenant can object or the tenant can agree. Anywhere it goes is a win-win situation. Because if the tenant agree, the tenant now have to worry about for pay rent for the next 10 months. And if the tenant agree again, the government win too. Because the government can also use the money where it intend for deal with use it though. And that is for help the poor. I mean, a Portia said one time say, shall take from the poor and help the poor with the same NHT. Remember, I know them didn't want to put them on in the NIS, you know. Them didn't want to go in the NIS, too, you know, instead of just the
Really?
NHT, you know.
Really?
Yes, man, there was a time when them didn't want to go in the NIS. A boost schooling. I did have a ball upon them. I said, no. Little bit before boost were coming up power 2007.
That
She
a
didn't want to go
2000,
in the NIS.
that I in a 2006 budget.
Yes, she didn't want to go
Yeah.
in there. You can imagine? And then the same NIS where these people that call sin when time Newland one JLP MP back in the 60s that it bring in, you know. Let me turn it around and call it sin. What if we never have the NIS that today there? Eh? What if we never have it? You know how much poor Jamaican benefit from the NIS? You know how much? You have all a component where you call dead grant. Every year the government, when my mother died in 2016, they get $80,000 as a dead grant. Yes, we bury her and we never get it until we die. When we bury her and think we claims it back. Some people
Yeah, my old man get that too.
80,000 and now
90,000. 90,000, I think my old they
yeah, because him dead after maybe my mother.
Right.
Yeah.
2020 dead.
Yeah. I mean, now I'm supposed to be $100,000 now because it raised the other day. So, you see, you have to laugh when the PNP talk. All them want to come back in is door. They come put them on in the cookie jar. They come put them on in the draft. They come put them on where it not belong.
Say it nice, man. Say it nice, man.
Where's our discussion?
I said, say it nice, man. You say too distant. Say it we bet them coming in, fuck up the country again.
Well, yeah, I just start them a clamor for no. And we should never let them. Look here, man. If me have sleepless days and sleepless nights, so till the JLP get a third term, that's all be it, you know. Me I do my part, you know. Me I do my part. I mean, no say everyone away on this channel here, and this program, we are doing our part. I will not take nothing for granted. But we are doing our part. Because the PNP believe, hey, guys, me not take over the program for me no say I worry power there.
Carl, have you seen the Reach program working in your community?
Yeah, man. We do some work down by East Queen Street, by East Street. Yeah, man. We do some work. We start do some work from there.
Yeah, man. I said the Reach program, I reach, man. It reach.
Man, it start.
That fix road like fuck you, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
My girl in Manchester and slowly and road and slowly they might fix road like mad. Straight through.
Classic. Along a South Chilani, then start repave the road, you know. Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, man. Go ahead, man.
Where's the South Chilani?
Yeah, man. Then start patch and pave road down the
What are who for? That a chin?
No, Mama D constituency.
Oh, South Chilani. Oh, that's Manchester, you say. South Chilani. Oh.
They start in Manchester too. They start in Northeast Manchester too.
Yeah? And the Reach program that class.
This are the Reach program. The other day, I take some pictures of Paisley Avenue, and that is in Mike Henry's constituency.
Oh.
So I'm gonna do a little video. Put all of the pics that I take and just do a little video. And post it. Because I realize since Mike is basically down, him think them now get the highlight where him normally get, you understand? So I've got to it to him.
As we say,
But me see whole heap
anything,
of roads. Let me tell you something, whole heap of roads.
everything where I do, we have to highlight it. Highlight. Don't take nothing for granted. Everything we have to highlight. Because these people, hey, you know, some love how we end this, the note, or the note we end on what discussion and classic and other virgin. I love how two things we knock them with. Paula Llewellyn win our case, and the follow up of go on our KCC there. Yeah. We end the note.
That one they shame them, you know. That one they shame them because that one they show them up to even the blind.
Make Sway go investigate that now. Make him and the PNP go investigate it. And make them stop Paula Llewellyn from go back to work whenever time in January. Make them stop her. I'm calling in a boast with you about how much time him go to court and win.
But Wolf was the DPP that PJ Patterson, without consultation, would have selected. So you remember that, right?
Yeah, man. Wolf. Lansley Wolf.
Yeah. So
yeah, man.
So the other day when the ruling took place and Paula was removed from her job. It was the same Wolf daughter who presided over that case, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. So
okay.
Jamaica, if you never know, a Wolf daughter who presided over that, and is her father, who was the DPP, who was appointed by PJ without consultation. So she basically do a little curry favor for the PNP.
But classic.
So you see how everything I add up now, people.
Consult with the opposition. I mean, say, you just tell him what you're going to do. You know? I mean, say, you ask him, you just tell him out of courtesy and manners. You say to him, say, look here, we have a pint, your man, there, what you think? Well, things still, you know, you just tell him out of courtesy. If he mean say no, and you still want to go ahead, you can go ahead. But out of courtesy, you still just want him opinion. So
that is it.
when them make nice and go on and come on like say the Prime Minister Afik in consultation, if the opposition no agree, it can't go through. Not no go so. The law don't say that.
Now you see why we have to reject the CCJ.
Me agree. Anything where the PNP want, me reject it. Me reject it. Anything where the PNP a clamor for, something in a something. I tell you, no. Me live out the 18 and a half years.
Never jump over the line with that concert, yeah.
Yes, respect.
Hey, guys, I tell you about the 18 and a half years when PNP in power, you know. Boy, me I tell you, man. Me say, even some labor right did start to say a PNP country. Because, hey, I tell you something, you know, man. It give me great pleasure to see the PNP out of power. You know why? And it's not because me a labor right, you know, guys. And not because me a labor right. And because the PNP feels that them own Jamaica. And we are said to them, say, now one group of people now own this country, and all of we will live you own it. And if the labor right feels that them own it any day at all and get arrogant them with it, they're the first one we turn against them. Because we feel say the whole of we own it. But the PNP up until today, them still believe it's a PNP country. Them still attack the nonsense. Every now and then you hear them with the nonsense. So you see, after this third term, yeah, when you want to smoke, them are going to understand that the whole of our country.
Boy, in the 90s, then me give up, boy. Me give up. Even though me never did a vote, but they win so much time that me give up. Me say, boy, they ain't gonna lose. When Andrew win in a 2016, man, me I tell you.
Me never
Me
give up, you
actually,
know.
man, celebrate, boy.
Me never give up at no time. Because me said to myself, say, if a PNP country, oh, me a labor right and me a PNP country. And that means say to myself, you know, but a whole heap of labor right. But it's a whole heap of little factor that cause the JLP did a lose so much, you know. This one of the main factor too. One of the main factor was the demonization of Eddie Siago and the racism. That's why
Exactly.
I say my neck, my knee, now raise up out of Master Mark neck. Nah,
Yeah. What with discussion?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me like how you deal with him and you know, ease up with the brother there while I go eagle. Cause me tell you the truth. You see with them, they talk some dreadful things about the Prime Minister.
Me not tell you,
I mean, I
man.
tell you, say, me never go up on a live yet. Me not pick up for it. But me never go up on a live yet. And here we are, disrespect Mark Goldie like how them disrespect the Prime Minister.
Me
Never.
not tell you, man. Yeah, man.
Yo, some of the time when we hear them attack, and cause even me get burn out to go up on them live, you know. But me say, to hear them attack some things about the Prime Minister, me have to tell them, say, yo, me can't sit down and hear them something there. Me have to jump up on the live and defend it. The thing
Motor,
them.
me have to do it too. You have to jump on too and defend it too.
But them a say, yo, we don't feel indulge with them because them talk some things more while me I tell you say it hurtful. Because we see what the Prime Minister do and we see what the country achieve. It happy earth. Me don't know who how glad heartless man would feel the earth. Me I tell you. That's some things that me see the Prime Minister do. As a and so on. I never see a Prime Minister before. Me live to see how many Prime Minister. Portia Simpson, Bruce Golding, name all of them. Me born 1989. I mean, we can tell us, I never see a Prime Minister go around and socialize with people. So never.
Never in our history, brother. Me share the same
Never
sentiment.
in our history me ever see a Prime Minister do them or something here. Prime
Me I
Minister
tell
come
you.
like say boy is a regular man. And some see man move.
Me I tell you, man.
You see, Motor, the man them want them white slave master prime man for come rule with. And me I push back on that. So every
Yo,
opportunity
right,
that I get, I go and speak about it. If I'm the only labor
right
right
now
to
me
speak
have
about
all
it, me I speak about it.
right now me have all the car me have I'll that one put up on my platform next year, you know, man. And just ring it out, you know. With the woman there from the PNP.
Cross, Karen Cross, you attack.
I mean, I tell you, say, I want a wicked piece of tool that if you use against them, you know. Eh?
Karen Cross, you attack.
Yes, what's your name?
Karen
Yeah,
Cross.
Carrot Cross, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man, me I listen to her with you, yeah.
Yeah, man, the woman talks on, man, I tell you, say, yo, I can't believe say the next PNP, strong PNP woman that talk, them something there.
Virgin, the man them just want to come rape the system. Rape the system again. To come give away free money. That's all them
Yeah, man.
interested.
Yeah.
Not the
And I
ends.
hear the man say
Not
when he
the
win,
ends.
he man in top on us, when he never
Papanaris.
go around
And
the
people
country.
that listen
You
to
hear what the man say?
hey, sometime, you know, man. Me I tell you, you know, if I could have hold them and shook hands, more time when PNP talk, you know, man, I say me dark for them. The man tell we out time mouth, say I go put a tap on Harris executive. What do you mean by that? No, what do you mean? No care how you justify that. And the same thing you go get, same meaning you go get with that.
Yeah.
Tap on Harris mean big timer. You know, my little humble little understanding for me, not right. But my understanding without even good law look up for nothing in a dictionary. Tapanaris. When you hear the word tapanaris, you know what that mean. Big shot. Money people. So I'm going to put a Tapanaris executive together. And then we must talk about it. We must just allow Master Mark to come take over. You're a madman. We are madman, man.
Yesterday, me pass over a car, and I'm here one PNP. I said, why? Him know, he look like Jamaican. Jamaicans just love hard life. Just, me I wonder, say, what the blood clot this man here talk about, eh? You mean the hard life we go through on the hard clot PNP in the 90s and 2000, and this man a come talk about Jamaicans just love hard life, hardship. Yeah, me have said, boy, me no know, them brain musty wire back way for me. Born out of me, ma. Me never see this a country in the state it is now. Meaning, things just a happen. Things just a happen. Things just a build. Things just a build. Every minute you look, the government a announce a new project, a new this. And we now
Every day.
so we have to understand, them people you must understand good to be bad and bad to be good. Then you have to wire back here.
You see all this program where them youngsters have been do for 1 year. One of my son was a part of it. They might do it back again now. They must start it back January again too, you know.
Yes, the program with the Prime Minister
Out
thing,
of the program, my
500, how much of them? How much of them?
me
About
no
500.
remember how much, but my
I
son, one
think
of
I'm
my son will
500.
benefit from it.
I think
Them
I'm
teach them to
500 because
drive.
me did a try get my niece if we get on pan it, you know, because me did a follow hit up, I think of
And
500.
it has start back January, so you can get you try and get up on it. It has start back. Yes.
Remember saying, them a get 70,000. Them a get
60, 80,000 them keep back 15,000 at some point.
15,000 and you get 60,000 in your
Yeah,
hand. If you spend, catch taxi, do whatever, buy food, and then
yeah,
save that for you up in account, get your driver's license, everything. You
yeah,
learn
yeah.
a skill, whatever you want to learn, and you come out, get into a job, one shot, boom, got. Hey, this a prime minister must go in bed at night time and look up in the sky and say, God, show me what me fi do for
The
the
man is
people.
a visionary man. The man coming
Let
up
me
with things
answer. Let
plan.
me answer Alex's question. Just showing people that the Reach program is reaching and it's actually taking place here in Clarendon. So this is Mike Henry's constituency. Yeah, man. The road patching and everything is taking place. So
Yo,
we need people my ask, you know, because I know every MP and councillor really put up these things, you know. So even if you now want to put you up on phone platform, and I can't send it come give me man, me put you up on my own. Or on yourself. Send them come. Want to show them up.
Classic. This
Yes, bro.
I wonder if it's a long time. You see, this Marcia say, oh, you guys proud of corruption for Jamaica. Me I wonder which corruption she talk about.
that all
Who
them, hold on. All them negative thing there with them always a talk about corruption. What kind of corruption?
look
Boy,
here, look here, look here.
Then I say to you, man, say the people them brain wire back way because they take good feedback because you are saying we are back up with corruption. We are back up with the country being built. Things are happening in the
Look
country.
here.
So
Marcia,
you man know good is bad.
my friend Marcia, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, Marcia. I lived through the 90s. And there was not one era pass when I have all three scandal. Not one year during the course of the 90s.
scandal, but
So,
I don't really scandal, a real thing.
no,
Real thing.
well, call it where you want to call it. It was real, but nobody no go jail. Nobody no go, it was a norm. And if it was corruption, you know something, guys? If it was corruption for make a party win election, then the PNP that only win one. And that was 1989. Only 89 election they made a win. Because after 89, the amount of corruption and scandal, zinc scandal, furniture scandal, this, that, all different type of scandal and corruption. So When PNP go talk about corruption, now me have to ask what corruption? Which corruption? Where there? But me not see it. I can't see it.
Sometimes me have to wonder. Me know you can't have your cake and you can't eat your cake and have it at the same time. So me I say why corruption? Under PNP government, because the money was being thieved, nothing couldn't happen in the country. No, under the Labour government, if the money did a thief, nothing could not done in the country. Just the same thing would have happened like under the PNP government. So for sure you say money not thief because the things are happening in the country are built all kind of sitting. So if you thief the money, you can't have the money for spending in the country. So therefore the money can't thief and not spend at the same time. So it come like then no sense.
Sam, the PNP continue to spread this line of argument here. Go ahead, go ahead. I'm so blessed. You say something?
No, I don't even know that I was in the box.
Where they in the box, you know now.
Can I take me out, please?
You can't take out yourself, man.
Alright.
Yeah, Sam. Let me tell you something, man.
Yeah, man, so top junker. Me hear so top junker top player we. Ma play jingle bells and he sitting there now.
Okay.
Him over there and him bored. I'm alone there and him taxi. Him over there and him bored, brother. I'm alone in him taxi and no company.
Him soon start cause some PNP, you look. You wait.
Cause by himself over there.
Him soon start cause on some PNP, but when him can't get fit no labor,
Carlos,
start cause some PNP. Yeah.
You know, say the Prime Minister show up the PNP party. Wicked though.
That are the thing, man. That are
You know that. You know
All
that.
right.
We are happy. You know,
All
so we are
right.
happy in that country right now. You say, boy,
Tennis.
we
See you
can't
next year.
pay no. We
Yes,
can't
them a
pay
play
no
one
debt.
song and say I'm a junker.
Bye.
Me hear my play one
All
song
right, we'll see
over
you
there
again,
say
okay?
I am a junker. I am a
Everybody,
dog.
yeah, man, no problem, man.
Watch
Let me
somebody
Somebody
attack
leave them
one
phone.
time.
Somebody leave them
Let me
phone.
Yeah,
talk.
mute me. Somebody mute
Oh,
your mic. Too much people attack. And
Let
roll
me
it
talk.
look like a mic.
all right, later.
Let me talk. You know, say a while ago, me a pass to J. Brian live a while ago. And the Prime Minister sang. I show up the dirty PMP there.
Whatever do I play the leader song?
A man them over
Them
there
twist
play I
the
am a
leader song.
junker. I
Them
am a
twist the
dog
leader
shit.
song. I say the leader. I say Andrew Wallace. I say we don't have no snow. We don't have no sleigh. I know
Yeah.
that the song say no.
No, well, we know. But them
Them
can't play
twist the
the
song.
Yeah, but make them do all what them want to do. Make them do all what them want to do. We have an election for we next year. And it not going to be business as usual, January morning.
Yeah, caution take long the
The
like the
person
live
in
no
prep.
cause he can do what they by himself.
Yeah
So
man,
where
that
the
thing over
classic?
there
What are the
pumping
classic?
himself.
Where you say? He mean that stream, he mean that play our live, our film live, and that he mean that do this?
He
Yeah man.
was play Eagle upon the live and he was streaming the live and from Eagle coming off the live, he just take down the live completely.
No man, unroll it. From me come on the live, Eagle will come down, you know. Eagle will come down. Because he know me I come with one argument. And it's a white leader me I talk about. I mean, now stop.
Brother, only have the Eagle upon the live too long for that.
Yeah man,
No, in
don't do
honesty,
that.
it means that a
We not have him
disrespectful man, in
on a
honesty.
live long man. We have him on a live the right amount of time. And we get a whole lot out of him. Him confess to a
No,
whole
but
heap of things. I don't
in
know that too.
fairness,
Not do
still,
that unruly.
unruly, in fairness, still, you know, to him, you know. Him is that a disrespectful man still, you know. In
Yes.
fairness, still, you know.
True.
Yeah,
But
I don't have
between
him
me
as a man, really.
between
Him
me
is just a liar.
between me and labor right, them a say him the over ya beat and teach you wicked.
I beat and teach you. Them love that foolishness about me. Beat and teach with lies and foolishness. Who over here him can beat and teach?
No, but let me ask you a question. Didn't anyone hear when Eagle said, I am here with the wise and the bright laborites who
Get up and come here, Granny Dishi.
with the wise and bright laborites and
Leo,
him,
mute your mic.
him say we corner him. You
And go
understand
your
me?
auntie. You know she
And
so
we are
far.
teach
Mute
him
your mic,
something.
Leo.
He actually said it, you know.
I'm saying it.
Yeah, these are the things he was saying.
Now that's him run when me come. So you know when me that's.
For the whole day I'm there and where I beat him.
All right, man.
Yo,
Because
Carlos.
even Sydney was here earlier, you know.
Carlos.
When we started the program, it
McCall.
was
Carl.
Yeah.
You know,
when we
say.
hold on the DJ.
What on the DJ?
When we started the program, we started with Sydney. And you know, he used Sydney to build up the live with them whole heap of antics.
Yeah, yeah, as
And
usual.
when Eagle came in, we tell him Sydney say, boy, this bigger than your
Time no
level of
bingo.
reasoning and things. So we take you on one next day. And we have Eagle and we have beat him for the whole time. He admitted to so many things. Although he wanted to be political in many of his answers.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Carl.
DJ. Yeah, DJ.
Yeah, as me I say now, me tell anybody this right now. You see anybody who born between 1981 come up early 2000 right now, we can't tell them this. They say if you vote for PNP, me I tell them say you know what you call
No,
it
no
now?
ambition.
No ambition. No ambition because you see when me I grew up, those were the days my parents suffer the most and me suffer the most and growing up seeing youth can't get a work, can't get certain opportunity and things. Them are
But
the days
DJ,
that me I talk about. You
DJ,
see me? Obviously what happen right now, me can't see a man we born at them the time they say them all put them exes inside
but
the age.
DJ, one of the thing, a youth were born 2007. Him never see a PNP government yet, Really, So him will tend for one for say, he want to see what a PNP make out, a PNP government make out, look like. That is the thing. So him want to say,
That's
all
true.
right,
That's
me
true.
want to give him a
That's
chance.
true. You know why me can't say that true? Because
Even
growing
though
up,
Even though it's a foolishness that. But that are the perception where them have up. Because boy, I never, in my adult life, I never see a PNP government yet. I want to see a PNP government now. So
yeah. But
them use them argument there.
you know what I say? If you tell you the truth, more say a foolishness. Because me they have the narrative there. Because me growing up, me never see a JLP government. I used to hear about
Okay.
the two party are the same thing. A
Okay.
Same way.
JLP government only for the rich. And that me used to
Yeah.
grow up on here,
All right. Sorry, there. You
So
just said
me not
something.
go
Can
hold
I
a
give you?
man against that. If been born in it,
Can I give you another scenario now? When you tell me how this sound to you, just how it sound. You are saying that you never see a PMP, a PMP administration yet. But tell me this now. If him live it, and I see it, if him live and come see him mother and him father live, how human being are supposed to live. I know that him come and growing now, and since say him himself can find a better way than him parents. You don't think it could have worked that way?
Yeah, yes, up discussion, but the average youth, no have no sense, It's sad to say, It's sad to say, the average
Hey,
youth no have no sense. When they
hey,
talk
Carl.
them with it, may sound like disrespect, but other than that me I do. Me I talk reality. The average youth are gonna say, all right, in my time, a mama, in a PNP time, a mama and papa provide for me. Now me an adult, me can make decision for myself. Me can vote, help to change government and put in government. Right, take out government. Right? So me want to be a part of that. So sometimes these are somebody, what they call it, the issues when them ruffle with, So them tend for one to see what the next government will look like.
Right, Carl. We're not go back in the past, but today with Eagle. Eagle actually acknowledge that the PNP failed Jamaica 2 times, So them not go back in the past for campaign. So me I make him know say history important. So for them say him over here, so I beat our pressure on nobody. Them we don't know where them I believe. Them I believe them one narrative. Them start to believe them one lie.
Can't take on any one of them.
No, but even my man the what him name? The liar there, what him name again?
Isaac?
No man, no
AC
KD
or
Knight.
oh
KD Knight. No, the video where KD Knight where they capture the parliament where him there say out time out. The man
Yeah,
say for
man.
the past couple and a half years where them need their power. Him sad to say the condition when them left the country inner. Him not proud of it. And that the man say out time out.
then
Look here,
come
DJ.
You know that clip they fit through.
Yeah, man, we
When,
hear it, man. Talk the
when
line now.
they pay the Jamaican people when they leave, the amount of time they in there, and how them leave the country. And it
every time
goes
the PNP every time the PNP rule Jamaica, them apologize. See.
You see me? I mean, I say, if a man in the one party can come out and say that in a parliament, he said the man say it's not a proud thing. One time me hear them and say all the clipping they should come out. The clipping they should come out.
Look here, the PNP have to always justify where them feel so them can justify, By they must say one thing today, and then tomorrow them come with a different statement in order to justify what them say yesterday. But them no know say the days when them no know say it's a new Jamaica. It's a new Jamaica and the whole order of things had passed away. Meaning say the things where you used to could have tell people in the 80s, you can't tell them anymore. Because people are read for themselves, people have social media. Only like when we have TV, JBC alone and RGR. We
And
have
don't forget,
whole heap of radio station and support.
we call on the social media
And we
every day of the
as
country.
bloggers also we are feed information. But look here, man, watch out. The PNP, look here. Me a big man, as me say. Me a big man. As me say, me are the oldest man for your life, And so me probably have more experience in terms of some know more than one, and that me I say. I have more experience in terms of living under our government. And me live right through the whole of the 90s. And the PNP.
But Carl,
Yeah.
you remember in 2000 when the PMP was in office and then they prepare for CXC and them come and tell the nation that they don't have no money. And the
Yeah,
parents
I think I'm pay for a couple CXC.
and some of our parents have to dig deep down in our pocket to pay for the CXC where we want.
Yeah, man, I remember, man.
I think I remember that too, I remember that thing.
Right.
Unruly, the amount of things that PNP do and get away with it. Labor right couldn't do half of that and get away with it. The amount of things that them
True, my
do.
boss. True.
And
100%
they are so presumptuous, just like how them want to get away with the race card. Every day when you back them up in a corner with the race argument these days, oh, we're not going down that road anymore. Oh, we're moving away. Jamaica corner far away. Oh, so what you tell me, say? What you tell me, say?
When they did
No,
that demon I see aga, I call him
no.
white man and I call him say no
Look
come
here,
from ya.
me tell them the only way me ease up my foot, my knee out of my golden neck, unless the PNP, first the PNP have to apologize to Mr. Siago family. And we apologize as we as labor right. You know the thing that burned me throughout the 90s.
True,
We are
man. Yeah, man.
the only one. You know
A
the
true, man.
trauma when labor right go through during them
Yeah,
time
man.
when
A
them a
true.
demonize Thiago. You know it?
Yeah.
And
Labor
Danny
right a fact take
Buchanan.
all bush.
What I do?
Labor
Me
right
want
a
to
take
hear
all
this.
bush. Yeah.
Me want to hear this. That me get a call a while ago, but make me say this to Uno. You know how the demonization, how it with earth in the 90s when them a demonize Eddie Siaga about him a white man. You know it hurt. You know how wicked it was. Danny Buchanan. I don't know if you remember the man that were usually run down St. Elizabeth there. You remember him rough one unruly? Unruly. You
Who
know
that? Buchanan?
Danny Buchanan? Who know about Danny Buchanan? I hear the name there.
Me hear that name there already.
All right. Him was one of the cheerleaders too. Him was one of the men who were set to Pernell. And somebody else say in a parliament say, "Who no shame? Who no make a white man a rule? You know, no the PNP, a white leader a rule them, and them know what was said on every time we raise a topic. Them do everything to dismiss it every time. Let me tell you, no guys.
Carl,
That
I
Yes,
you
want to
call
ask you.
more kill
Michael
car.
Manley was a white man. Michael Manley was a white
of
man.
course, of course. But Michael Malley a white man, but they never use a white card in the 70s. Them use my leader banner in the 70s. You see how long them a demonize Mr. Siago? You see how long? You see how
No,
long
but
them a take a set from
no,
Mr.
but all
Siago?
right. Eddie Tiago renouncing citizenship from him a 19 year
21
old.
from my 21. When him
20,
never require
yeah,
for do it from in the 50s.
yeah,
Yeah, DJ.
yeah, man, may I hear you?
Yeah, him denounce him citizen from in the 50s when the constitution never formed yet.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
the British were rule under, but him never
I'm
require
not
for do
going to
it.
know about this right now, and him still know want
Yeah, what?
pledge him legion to me.
Look, man. The simplest thing when Mark Golden have to do. First thing. First, it is alleged that his mother side of family owned slave, was slave masters, owners, was slave owners. It was alleged that. So if it is was that is true, he need to apologize on behalf of him ancestors, were slave minds. That's the first thing me I say. The PNP, them need to apologize to Mr. Siago family and we as JLP supporters for the demonize, when them demonize Eddie Siago throughout the 90s. PJ Patterson, go up on public platform, we better educate you know, guys. Because I want to have some ammunition for fire from PNP, you know. And don't take it lightly, you know. PJ Patterson was the cheerleader for that. PJ Patterson go up on platform and say, if you put me down in the crowd, you can't
Black
distinguish
man
me.
dying.
Him say you can't distinguish me from each from Uno because I'm black like Uno. I know you come tell me some if
Yeah.
you hug up a white man to lead my country, to rule me. Nah man. And me must talk. Me must bring in racism. Marcus Garvey say race first. Marcus Garvey say we must stick to a kind. That me know Marcus Garvey say. That are the teachings of Garvey. I mean I stick to my kind. And them and me now raise up out of Mark Golden neck. If I me are the only one as labor right, I carry the crusade. Me I carry it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We need somebody to tap in their neck.
My foot nan ease up all time neck. My knee nan ease up all time. Nah ease up all time neck. Unless him apologize.
Anyway, guys, me I go jump off, you know, cause I have a 6 o'clock flight for catch to Jamaica tomorrow morning, so I go and get to go shit if you get up early.
Yeah, myself. Don't go jump off here too.
Mm.
So guys, if we don't
No,
talk again
nobody
in a
last when
2
they
years.
come, you know.
Huh?
Nobody gonna last, you know, cause Jamaica change up, you know.
No, man.